Call of Duty. We not kick down, boy. We prefer shooty. Do you remember the thing called Coast to Coast War? Saturday, November 11th, right here. City Heat versus Jamaica 1. Right here. Saturday, November 11th, right here. South Florida, the warrior and the normal. Call of Duty. Long in the making. You don't know the icon. You don't know the legend. King Waggy movements. Versus the mighty disruption. The coin already tossed. It already flipped. Disruption gonna play first. So here we go. Let me tell you some rules and some things so you have an understanding about this clash. Call of Duty. Rules. First round, 30 minutes. Second round, 20 minutes. Third round, 20 minutes. If one sound win, 3 rounds straight like that. If a sound just win 1 out of the 3 round, dub for dub. 4th round. We now stretch out the clash. Fast and quick like a rush or a thief the election. We all have a casket right there so for the loser top. You see what me say? See this? Look. You see? I know normal something. South Florida, are you ready for Call of Duty Sound Clash to begin? Wanna sound ready? Introducing the mighty disruption, DJ Quest.
Look like the casket that fit Patrick you in. I know me. Good night, my people, manners and respect for everybody where I come from. You understand? Sound clash things tonight, you're gonna hear some disrespectful things them. You understand? We cannot apologize now. You understand? But I'm gonna start it like this. Only Emmanuel Selassie, aye? All right. After me say it, yeah, some people don't want to move and say it, but God will say. Play my first song.
After disruption, say Jah, and the people them say Jah, and you no say Jah. That means say no love Jah. Tin pan sound, if you run out at home. Ding ding ding, bang ding ding, no ya hold. Bang ding ding ding, ding 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 ding. Oh Jah, in you disruption put his trust, yes. Save him from all them that persecute me and deliver me, oh Jah.
Without God, we can't do nothing in this world, yeah?
That they did for me, yes. And let the wicked go down to the uttermost point of the sea. I said I love Jah and leave. Hate and you will die. Love disruption sound.
Yeah, what the bass left?
Him and you will die. Listen. Victory is mine. Disruption sound rule over time.
Turn on the volume for this.
Rule over time.
Yo, I shoot, we are shooting now, so make sure the volume and everything good enough. You understand? We live up on the line, so everything off proper.
I come to my song called Disruption.
All right, but we talk to you for a minute. You understand? The other day, the clash 4 months ago, I'm going to lose my grandmother. You understand? Between the 4 months of this clash. Right? God rest her soul. But let me tell you how much I love that sound thing here. And I love the disruption thing. You understand? For days, I work 24 hours, a 9-to-5 job. I make sure so that blood clot sound I make it.
Victory is mine. Disruption sound rule over time.
I cry tears for that sound here. Bloodshed.
Yes, I climb any mountain. It's sweet, the deepest. Searching for my someone. Disruption sound to pray for me.
Well on there. Them say no smoking in here, alright? When you can't smoke outside, have some respect for Cliff Restaurant, you understand? We smoke outside, because we don't want to go home and smell and stink, alright? So please, We got to everybody over there, we're going to full jar with self. Play me song, Danger Marcus.
Disruption make you act so.
That boy, you better press like God tonight.
Healing tonight. Disruption comes from discipline.
We have generator back there, you know.
Healing tonight.
So me tell the boy.
We keep the gun light shining. Shining away. Disruption keep the gun light shining. Shining, my people. Things done in the day. Oh.
Now watch the face, man. Everybody rolling. Everything good.
Kick with them foot like ball and make it roll in a ramp in a joke, man. Yeah, man. Let go, loose.
What now?
Anyway.
Waggy teen about to feel like say you have big song and all these things. You have big song. You're going to beat up your blood clot tonight.
Your feel say you're heavy and you're bright. You test disruption, so now you die, well I will. That's how them a gonna know it. That's how them a gonna know him a the real champion for life.
Big sound, forget blood clot, beat up.
Disruption, no play with boy.
Forever 21 in my wear.
Oh, son boy, you get a gunshot stain. In your shirt collar to...
Pussy look like him a shop forever 21. See him bomber clot wear. Play me song. Play me song.
Disruption song. Yeah, man.
You have to play that song for everybody who lost someone that they love, especially me.
Edge and the family. Kwame, what's your name? My song. For every time that takes another soldier, I can feel it get closer to me.
They're no boss. Sure.
Reunite when this battle is over. But they always seems to take the ones who close to me.
Listen to me.
Every soldier that die for a cause.
When I read the artist who go by the name of Lila Eichel.
Disruption sound.
When you listen to Bomber Clock song, yeah. When you listen to Bomber Clock, man. Sure.
Disruption sound that go play tonight.
Clock.
So you know, say them afraid. Cause what? In the war where them stepping at them win the fight. Disruption murder them chase. Disruption sound play the best around here. Murder jump.
Everything good enough. Everything good. I'm coughing the writers already.
Disrupt them sound of figgy and just win the war. Disruption sound I go kill these clowns.
Early on it rained and then it became sunshine. You understand me I say? You see Florida, it have a weather we just go here and there so. So tonight, everything good.
Come on, let's take it away. So killing time again. So wild I pay.
When they in Florida, I saw the thing said, everything good. Ready again, jump! Whoa!
You see the moonlight on the town. Oh, I'm getting ready. The steps and sound playing the
we have a size 10 and a half here.
then baby, when West put down in Gideon, oh my God, soon boys get nervy. I got a caller on the telephone. Disruption, so I kill that sound. Kill us on tonight, whoa. We kick us out from left to right, whoa. Kill us on tonight, whoa. Till the sun burn up, we get to right down the car.
Listen to me, at 30 minutes, you know. Everything good. Prodigy song, Miss Yono. Big up on yourself, but you see tonight, in a normal. Play me
When you
song.
find yourself in times of trouble, disruption will be there for
When
you.
I act like myself, you know, everything good.
That is the
We
answer.
have the blood clot bullets them around here, yeah? Ready?
When some little drum and sound boys living in a world of dreams, disruption is the answer. Let it be. So let it be. Let it be. Let it be.
And that's how you want to deal with it.
Disruption is the answer. Let it be.
Listen to them style, yeah.
Yeah, you don't know it's all about the big bad sound disruption and a Sanchez attack, you hear me? Big up the same best crew, you know, you done with no question on yourself and no call me. Yeah,
I
man?
don't worry myself, I don't act myself.
Cause you done with no chop. Oh boy, sound boy.
Let me play some song, Paulo. Ready?
Disruption, have no mercy. Send a drum and sound to the cemetery. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, it's so bad to feel. Oh God.
Waggy here play some song, but them sound a little bit splashes.
Musical shot. Boom. If you here, I be a splice dubs you got. Disruption sound, I go give you a gunch.
Torch it. Fireman, I blaze them till them torch it. Send Mary.
Hey boy, you say you live up at Jacksonville now, yeah?
Picture.
The clash could have gone blood clot, they say you get some bomber clot bean. Ready?
But sit down now. Any city, any town, disruption I go gun them down. I when you look and know, any city, any town, disruption and the champion sound. I
what they must send laser for clash me and then them take it back.
Disruption sound.
Hey boy, Patrick, you in.
Okay now, don't fuck around if you don't mean it. Don't diss me son if you don't mean it. Call me pop off, gun and blue steal it. Full magazine it, why beat it, beat it, beat it.
Oh boy, me of course I want to them stay of Albans. So we send no shot, no pre, no kill, no violation, no explanation.
When I hear about Patrick, you not kill no sound. Him never kill no city, it's a lie my bomber clot tell.
Some boy, yo!
them not a dopey to them neighbor. With them virgin trigger finger. Go on me. Make bullet fly through you. Your family over your casket and say goodbye. Course tell them say no boy can't box up under joy. One to them boy, you win a trace like that.
Well, it's smart representing for Disruption Sound now with Danger Marcus. Big respect in a Kwame. Hamster.
Listen me.
Jugs Lord.
Everything good.
Could flash it no matter what is some sound guy. Yeah.
Not because you have little dope here to feel like you're a bad son. Little son, I got beat up your blood clot tonight.
Well, in come the man called Mortimer. Them better overstand now. We there in at the place.
Every son and a son, some of them are zinc pants sound.
Yeah. So. I know every sound a sound. None of them could have bad like disruptions.
Some bomber clots are gonna beat you that tonight. Watch me on your blood clot.
Disruption sound of the dub shot for kill sound guy. Yeah. Young bro. No other sound can govern the line. No. We're ready for clash, tell them anytime. No.
You never hear them boys say, I listen last year, and not like that. Them boys don't know blood clot God. Listen to me.
Praise to the Most High Jah. Rastafari.
Big up everybody knows say God them say. God never feel them.
Jah never feel in a way. I know that He is always there. Life is a blessing, oh yeah. Teach them a lesson.
Yeah, just shoot up the pussy them.
But we never bust enough, you know. Here's a man like Quest, man like Scarface, man like Danger Marcus, you know. Yeah. Okay, wait till
pussy you bet by your own son, you got bomber clot dead.
You coulda deal jump and feel real enough lead and copper. How that them a go feel when we tell you coulda ball blood, you coulda blow hurricane. Disruption they a figure shut out your brain. Coulda deal jump and feel real.
One bag of talk in the pussy on Facebook.
What you a go feel? Quest I say you
one bag of blood clot loose talk too.
Blow hurricane. Disruption a shut out your brain. Cause we know in a long argument. No long argument with no guy. We know in a long argument, no long argument. This disruption you got to die. We know in a the fat girl chasing, no time wasting. Gunshot a blaze pan guy.
Let's push on tune by the pussy them, they not no time.
In the world, you hear this now sound boy. Hear that sound boy. A disruption sound rule dancer. For due to disruption selection.
Why?
Them not get a fast killing on them. You go pick out them toenail, chop them on them foot.
Disruption kill them slow.
When we meditate, We listen to the big dubplets then by disruption sound.
When some people ask me who this on the fly, nobody don't know them.
Hey.
Pussy them.
Say who could it be? No, Lord. Who could it be? I know that's our party and I will rock. Disruption sound.
Him say name King.
Jump like the
But him not know nothing about King. Pussy, let me tell you this.
You are the boss. We're like mountains round about. High roots and legs.
Unity strength. Oh yeah, disruption sound. But up any other corruption sound. So that one your name, kings of this earth. Come to yourself, you cannot chase every skirt. To the bless you with your wealth.
Listen to me. The pussy I gonna get him kick, you understand? Him fit a casket here. Alright? We have enough time. We don't have to rush ourselves. We don't have to act up ourselves, danger. Everything good. We're gonna shoot the pussy tonight. You understand? Eh? What happened to all the Bujo and Berry's custom? We're gonna give the pussy them tonight. Eh? Play a song. Turn up my sound.
So why in a problem?
My father of a song talk about walk with the casket. But him never tell you exactly what type of casket.
Disruption give them a seed about casket. Another sound boy kick the bucket. Come a dance all like one like them out. Disruption proves that they are fraud. So we give them a seed about casket. Another
Everybody else walk up in our club and everything good, everything good, everything good.
What cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Just rope riding. Let me tell you, disruption, just murder a sound boy. Dread people, dread. Just rope riding. People, crowd of people, let me tell you, yeah. Disruption, him just murder a sound boy. Dread. Although you're a rebel and you come from the devil. Disruption will murder you. Sound boy.
Everything good enough, everything great.
Disruption.
Let me show you some of my money real quick.
Let me tell you this, boy. Disruption are the baddest in this world right now. Kill bad boy who want take him girl right now. Patrick Ewing sell him soul. Just through money him sell him body hole. The baddest in this world.
Hold on now. That I'm a quarter money. I don't wait till my rascal song them turn up, you know. Danger, make sure that thing they fix, you know. Make sure everything good. You understand? Play a song. Let me a song everybody's supposed to have in them box. Them song,
Them
yeah.
a go dead in the sound clash. Disruption I go kill that. Them a go dead in the sound clash. Watch it. And the champion I murder that.
Now watch your face, everything
The
good.
pretty girl dance again.
Pull up, disruption.
Let me get rid of them song, yeah. This time I live off of them song, yeah.
Do you know what it means to taste the champion sound now?
You hear that?
Let me tell you something. Danger. Put it back from the start. You understand? You see, tonight, you might get it, Danger. The whole of the custom, them in the second round and the third round, the pussy, I go get it. You understand? You see them song, yeah? We have to live off of them bumper cloud song for tune for tune. Play me song. Play me song.
Lizard speak. Prince of Reggae.
Pull up.
The boy I talk about Clash. Which Clash me see you now? Patrick Ewing. You're not good.
Do you know what it means to taste the champion sound now?
You hear that?
And what it takes to kill a sound now. Trying to taste disruption. Pull on, disruption.
Well, let me hear this boy upon a cassette. I said, big up him ganja man then. Or if you say, yeah, big up your ganja man then. Your ganja man and switch man smoke and fuck you. How the bomber clot wrong with you? Let me show you, big up to all the real listen man, like bomber clot please.
Full class. Marcus and Chinsu representing at the champion zone.
The boy don't want to do a flick butt. Butty boy, you know them song, yeah?
Me say we rolling up a blunt and a mine is sipping into Mali with some Hennessy. Rolling with the disruption song, please. I mean say look how we kill them. So make them believe what them
Waggy Tina reach her yet. I'm not found there yet. But the pussy Patrick you in.
Boom shot.
Some boy is in trouble. Select up on your bed and juggle. Any jump and sound. This disruption not good dead. The world is in trouble. Then they don't know if you juggle.
No juggle.
That's why so many sound boy get in a trouble.
Let me tell you something. Start from first. The difference with Big Sound. Big Sound is still doing the old stuff them. You understand? Only for you learn the new something them. Let me tell you exactly what's going on with Waggy T's sound. Play me song.
Style.
All people say, if you test disruption, you will get cut down. We lock the city, we run the place, yes. Disruption run the town.
Done. Yeah. But wait.
When me shoot me no bomber clock, miss. You understand? Straight to the rascal target.
Man, something said. See that? Oh, I wouldn't buy rhyme in the eye. You should never test the disruption, so don't you try. With a neck drop,
let me tell you something. This brother talk about him go clash Addies. And then me not see him again.
Yeah, you know it's a disruption sound.
Tonight I get your bomber clap beating.
Like in the damn Franks. Anyway, jump on. Where are you running to now? Got to be responsible for what you do. Don't bother hands that to feed you. Don't you turn away from those who truly love and need you. Where are you running to? You don't know any stranger to this business.
Patrick Ewing.
Yeah, how blessed with the girls.
This one bag of hype on the Facebook now help you tonight, yeah?
Tell them that no can't test them come and hype up themselves. But none of them no writers in themselves. See them come and they ain't your Marcus question, don't know. No sound cannot test.
We are telling you the blood clot sizzler custom.
Watch out! They are cause if they ain't got no sense. And I know them under false pretense.
Easy!
I cause if them are your closest friends. When them are your enemies, come and try bridge your current. Slandering and bad influence.
What they miss that boy yeah? And people, me don't know Patrick Ewing from nowhere, you know. Me only see on the internet and all those things, you understand? But I really and truly, you know, it's a question of lie. We go up on Facebook, and I see the brother up on a Wednesday, on up night. You understand? The brother say, him no want to see a girl a wine up today and I stick out them tongue.
God's kill him when I God's kill him when I let him fall like duns of a fall. Hey! Mighty disruption sound.
The boy make it seem like say a two-man bring him come here.
Phone, hey! One in. Mighty disruption, the body's in the royalties in the West Indies, yes indeed. Mighty disruption, sound you're bad from morning. Mighty disruption, I done. You put up with your woman, you not put up with no man. Hey, from son feed dead with.
Boy about him now want a blood clot, girl. I want him to him. You have to chop him blood clot. Eh? Play a song.
Bring him up. And I burn them out.
If me there in Jamaica, me burn you like how Sizzler blow on the plaque. Pussy.
Watch out.
Burning you.
And disruption sound a burn on the blow clock, boy.
Number 2, disruption never stop.
What?
Sure.
Always get the fire
burning. Disruption never stop. Sure. Always keep the fire. Listen to when your name go down the chichi.
You have an artist from Portugal by the name of Javelin. One of the baddest artists.
None of them don't bother down with. Give me clappy rubber grip, pussy rubber grip.
Give it to
pussy rubber grip. Clappy rubber grip, pussy rubber grip.
Pussy, I had some blood clot kicking you.
Go anyway, them this is done. This off we gonna slam. And when I gonna slam, me coming up.
You talk about how you run blood clot Florida and live way up at Jacksonville, eh? Yeah. That's the bad place there.
Say black a British, me I say jug fly. Me I say DJ.
Who've gone to Jacksonville?
The whole of Florida, the whole of New York.
Not just this dog house.
We buy a mafia meal. We kill take like a Bugatti. Gunshot all a jump in a somebody body. Humbo clad, we run the road like work them up like tonight.
This is the push you can't shoot tonight. You understand? Bad boy who can't help you.
Yes. From a real gunman town. Yeah, hear me. This Disruption, steady with the matic. Anywhere we see the enemy, we shot him, oh God. Steady up, son boy head a bust. Disruption gun no stick, we bust. Son boy face with the rubber grip. We no take styling from nobody. Anywhere we go, fi boy with a new something to the.
Watch you again.
Anyway murder, fuck of them. Run it out fast, then we turn it up again. It's street like
the artists they have blood clot flow. The pussy can't play like me no.
Let me tell you this. Alright, well, indeed, my friend, me not joke, me not laugh. Enough time disruption make her start. Big 45 pop off, no pussy can talk. Yeah, me gun, hear me gun, me not joke, me not play. Me shot you, come your night, come DJ. Boy, if you get gunshot, well, that's what can you them say. That's why the world dancer. Boy, your pussy like that.
What's a pussy hole? I'm gonna tell you someone Jamaican bad one. Can you hear shit? Let me tell you what Jamaican bad one.
So come a down no big friend boy. All of them a dead boy. Disruption at the taros. Them sent to the whole of man dead.
This is a small sound. Watch me your blood clot tonight.
You matter for all and watch you.
What's the style? What's the style? What's the style? No.
Next time your disruption. Shut up man. No. To make the casing brup. 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 Brup.
Hold on there. You see that time, yeah? You see that time, yeah, Patrick? You and your blood clot dead.
It's all out the nature.
We not survive.
While you're dead this time, we ever gonna MC 10 time or dead same time. Any so
Plus Monty for the night, no.
disruption now go speed them fine. Have why see me sign and act like him blind. All them fit this pop man.
When me reach up in there, some blood clot go me take out. Cause me know some if you shot a pussy tonight.
Them so rounded. Bumbo clad boy, name on them. Rounded.
Florida, fall out of
I
there.
done me off over them. But the same thing disruption them they say.
Well, quest if he murder them anyway. And the same thing where Chin so tell me say.
The young lit.
Murder from camp in a the alley. Where they gonna naturally, them dead enough.
Bumbo clad. When the rifle burst them face me construct.
Hold on there now.
You hear me?
This boy named Patrick you in.
Pop up the Taurus and shot back first. Watch out. Oh, gas them up, press it, bust the cylinder. Man take it on up, that.
Hold on there. When I remember them all-time Patrick Ewing shoes there, the one where you have to pump it up here, so. You understand? The pussy make man a blood clot pump him up. Play about my song.
Bumbo clad. When the rifle burst them
You need some blood clot Cersei pussy.
Master man danger Marcus. Pop up the Taurus and shot.
Hey Patrick Ewing.
Oh, gas them up, press it, bust the cylinder. Man take it on up, dark half at the window. When no fly kick in a chest, when no ninja. Full of this strength in a bit.
Let's clap the time I run out already.
The cylinder, cooler than winter. Disruption sound, never left the inch. They call them like them could have faster than a sprinter. Pussy a joke, you take bad man king for. Bust the cylinder, turn in your bed. Danger Marcus, you keep on in the head. Cut the fucker, from your dispressy, you're dead. Them find nobody without your hand, without your head. Man bust the cylinder, things getting dread. All 3 5 7 left your kin and then a tread. Run off your mouth,
No one to serve on no intention, you know. Don't take back on the money yet.
Disruption. From them this seed and them a go dead. Every them from them this seed and them a go dead. Every them from them this seed and them a go dead. Every them yo president from them fuck on this system.
I love it bad like 90s dance hall. Yeah, me a sell man president. Lift up to that and
you think you can beat that sound, yeah?
rascal.
Watch us blood.
They pussy them, started and them a run like you want call. Boom, Roberto Carlos hardball. Me do sex up it down but me air can't ball. Boy skip put that tougher than all ball. When me sell phone there, make a small call. Tyrone roll out with the tall. Prezi bad like 90s dance hall. Me find this just one like you can't fall. Me 357 magnum dance hall. You full of be a big shot but your hand small. Boom, hardball from Billy man. Hear me no man Prezi. Lift up some rifle, rise some 9 and circle them. Bust it in the head, we kill any sound we want, yeah. Murder any boy we want.
Let's go and shoot them up, man. Shoot them.
Like them tough, but we know them are small, yeah. And them a run and them a ball. When the rifle them rise and them so tall, yeah. Tyrone, me think them are tough. Police the pussy van call, yeah.
We can't play a bad blood clot ninja man in the morning.
Oh, them bad. Where the bad man? They said them mad. We kill all them mad men. But I feel like them.
What Patrick you talk about him kill city?
Them boy, they never broke a war, never do a thing, never make a dopey on this one, then no fling. Never make a body like dead in the skin, disruption, you are the wickedest thing. Bumbo all sound, never broke a war, never do a thing, never make a dopey on this one, then no fling. Never make a body like dead in the skin disruption.
This one next song is a blood clot statement. It's not a question me ask you.
So I say, Kwame, them want for one, I'm sending bro.
This is a statement. Show me some blood clot.
One and unity, man. If you know my destruction in the man.
Two we blood clot, bad me no must know God. I say I'm a father. Boy, are you want this mighty disruption? Go suck your mother. We're not far. We're not far. You a call man fag when we fuck your mother. Boy, we're not far. We're not far.
Well, on the pussy father out in my bad soul.
Fire. Boy, we're not far.
You never dead in a blood clot. Cliff restaurant.
Boy, we're dead. Lord of mercy.
One of the bodies, blood clot, Buju. Watch out now.
Disruption.
Watch out.
Hey. Why rolling on the club and getting head back shut off? Ten of them friendly and everything like.
Blood clot, mama.
In a cliff restaurant, boy, we're dead. In a cliff restaurant, boy, we're dead. In a cliff restaurant, boy, we're dead. Restaurant, boy, we're dead. Lord of mercy. Make a person go for
Run up in the blood clot club and dead.
Hey. Why rolling on the club and getting head back shut off? Ten of them friend dead and everything last. Select and them a act off, we check it them sad. Who fool them up disruption, who a walk crap. Disruption, ja proud, look how the pussy them a laugh. Who used to wear Prada, them a few wear class. Lens up in a family but and walk, them a walk. A question what them ask, how the world called boss. Kill them in a Florida, no pussy can't talk. Kill them in a London, Birmingham Park. Kill them in a Jamaica, kill them on the sidewalk. And anywhere we go dance, all black till the cock me sir.
Yeah, play the sound, you know. Waggy T's sound. But I know that you're not the bad one on the sound, it's Waggy T. Maybe later on Waggy T might show up. Okay? Let me show you something. You can't convince me say you're a bad selector. Listen to me.
Hey yo, hamster, I gotta be on my lights, Scarface. No mercy. Bullet them where you want.
You could have preached by internet till Dan King could come.
Set them bad but we all swing swings. Could do me them won't convince. Disruption papa the gun faster than how you win.
Blood that run like trains. Well, from boy for the dust custom out like a chain. When them a meditate, me wonder where them all a take. Them bread.
Some boy a corruption. Hey, move that to Janka. Gonna stink like shit.
Them boy just want to class some small sound, but disruption sound.
Say disruption will murder any sound. Killer select a guy. Killer sound boy don't try. Disruption will murder any sound. Killer select a guy. And send them arm sky. I would deaf. Cause we'll murder any sound. Killer select a guy.
This pussy will get some blood clot kicking our man and tell you.
Separate man, some member, we not got a lot of friends. Some man say them and shut at them. Why you know about call me them? Why you know about Scarface? Disruption them. You me no quest. Rifle we press. In a boy chest.
What me say me ever kill someone, me do?
Anything we say we ever do, we mean. Some boys say them bad, but them wreck like baby.
Circle. When I wait till I hear the blood clot custom, then we may have another box, yeah.
Call of Duty, me no box down boy, me no kick down boy, me shoot it. How the war go on so far? Alright, give it up for the mighty disruption. Danger Marcus, DJ Quest, first round, 30 minutes that was, you see what me I say? Yes. Big up my car worker them in the building. Big up Trendsetter in the building. Oh, you mean? Big up Flight in the building. Big Life in the building. Tech 9 in the building. New Vision in the building. Prodigy in the building. Unleash in the building. DJ Corey in the building. Bad Ruckus in the building. DJ Ryder in the building. Freedom Force in the building. And you know who I am, Justice the President in the building. You see what I say? Yes. Oh, you see my brother, you ready? Born ready. First round, King Waggy T Movements. Patrick Ewing, take it away. 30 minutes.
Waggy T Movements. King Waggy T, that is. Long live the king. Long live the king. King, long live the king. Wait, so represent for the king. Waggy T, that is. Waggy T is ahead of the game, yeah. Watching all of those Waggy T play. Oh, but that is just a part of life's game. Listen, tonight the sun I feel bare black rain. Somewhere you can't ever test Waggy T. He'll just you. He'll done you now, right now.
make you love them get me.
Easy, bro. Notice how we not rush to sitting. That killing the way them I wait for. The one where you are praying for, because me here say you are pray to God. But looking me know say God don't answer the devilish prayer. So me not worry about your bumbucklad prayer. Let me say this before me get started. Because the pussy I talk about me, they are Jacksonville. And what am I doing trying to represent South Florida? South Florida, big up on yourselves. But we have some bad select around here. We passed away just a little while ago, maybe about a couple of weeks ago, and him never acknowledged that. Big up Lipton from out of Unico Sound. Y'all talk about Waggy. God is great, because Waggy was in a hospital over a week ago, but God saved him life. So yes, Waggy is not here tonight, but we're here to represent Waggy. And God bless Waggy. Long live the king, and that way I say. My poor, I drink for Waggy. My poor, I drink for Lipton. And me, I'm going to pour a drink for the little pussy. What name again? What name again? My pour a drink for you, because tonight your blood clot dead. Play me song, bro.
Hush. When the guys see man like King Waggy playing that dance, you know, murder.
Play me blood clot song, bro.
Run out all that dance now.
Y'all talk about big sound.
Good for King sound, a verse of that.
Big bumper clot sound.
Boy, what a night. Tonight is the night. Yes. Oh gosh.
Hey!
Why did he feel good? He ma kill a jump and sound. And he ma chop the whole of them down. Feel good, feel good.
So cool!
Well, right now, King Waggy comes to murder, so death.
Y'all talk about big bumbucklad sound. See song, ya. See song, ya.
Every time I think of leaving the dance, one more job, Waggy and I have to dance. No, I can't.
Y'all talk about big songs. See big songs.
Give it to them, give it to them.
Waggy
give it to them. No stop, no stop, no stop, no stop.
Tell them how come here.
South Florida.
The way you kill them sounds from deep down in my soul. I'm losing all control, and I can't fight this feeling, no.
Which artist you play bigger than this?
A soul never die tonight.
Oh, they ready for the diamond artist?
Tight, I pour out all them feelings. Shaggy.
Waggy you play nice. Right now a song boy, I go lose him life.
Voila. Pussy. You talk about big song and big sound. Oh no, big sound. Here's song now.
Big up all Waggy crew, say. No sound no rough, no tough, no better than Waggy. No man no rough, no tough, no better than this one. No one no rough, no tough, no better than Waggy. No man no rough, no tough, no better than Waggy. Bad boy is gonna die.
Hey, this is a trick.
South Florida artist, you play Cabra. This is Hopeton Lindo Pussy.
Hey, gun salute.
Glory. Waggy cheese that we ride in the west. And a guy come perplexing my bulletproof vest.
Y'all look for Waggy.
My hearts, where them.
Hey boy, Quest.
Oh boy, watch your speech and your words, what you're saying.
I still love this lovely one's ugly. If you see me with the box, man, it don't trouble me. They buy the flick of Waggy TV sound, boy, get from them this sing.
See song, yo!
So will. Gunshot to your brain. We murder son and send them off to the
grave. Hold on there. I drive all the way from Jacksonville for this pussy clad. I play some pussy clad idiot song.
Waggy T can be dangerous.
Let me play some big song for morning.
Dead song boy.
You think I rush shallow this?
Yeah.
Garnet Silk. How me feel?
I can't pretend. Waggy is vexed, and I don't intend to deny it. No, Waggy is vexed. Yes, I've got to show it.
Cut! Turn up the sound, engineer, turn up the sound. Them say turn up the bumbleclad song. Quest, you think say are you alone have mama? You think say man push you out? Yeah, bumbleclad idiot. Play a song for all the mothers in your room.
Oh mama, where would I be? Tell me where would Waggy be? Don't tell me where would I be? Mama.
If you love your mother,
Waggy love it, anything he puts up of you. No, it's not a girl, not a car. You stand firm in him life, don't no budge. Come from him, Bana, you and him. Mommy, you're him princess, and you're him daddy. You know the life in girl, I feel understand. Special dedication to the big woman. Try me love your mama, follow.
If you love your mother,
I'm bossa blank for your mama. Light up for your mama. Select and wet up, pull up the one up for your mama. Yo.
You talk about big song. You can't play Dennis Brown against Dennis Brown with Waggy T. You're a blood-clad idiot, boy.
Hey, hey.
Dirty blood-clad Quest.
Heard you planning to wet the commission, boy. How you can do that, standing high. But you buck up in a hardcore Waggy T. Waggy T, I'm a set the girls free. Heard you planning to attack me.
I saw Florida with them. When you hear me say cutlass, officer, you have some TikTok?
Let me.
I saw Florida with them. When me say chopper, I know cutlass.
So me say lend me, yo lend me, yo lend me. Guess I would say 1,000 shall fall at thy side and 10,000 at thy right hand, but none shall come nigh thee. Say the Lord, Waggy T, you know. Say Waggy T, don't fear, no boy, no you don't fear.
Them see how you run things, see here's the bridge man. Jamaica and London, Canada, Miami.
When you play first round, a big song you play pussy.
Thanks, come on, them think this and dance, right?
Oh no, them song ya.
You know, take from the end, the panda goes to Kimberlands. Take from the end.
You wicked every time. You want to catch it and blow them.
Me not sure about a whole heap of things, but one thing me blood clot sure.
Waggy T a murder, a Japanese. Wicked every time. So classic dance so style. Driving everybody wild. Well, it's a wonder. Them can't come out down. We got the place that is
first round. First round.
We are the champion, and we don't know.
A blood clot disruption.
Big for your big, man and heavy. Anybody there, so Waggy T, them and go marry Waggy.
Song.
It's about to be Waggy T. Watch this.
See your next South Florida artist, yes sir. Pussy Wall.
Watch this.
Waggy T will play every time. Some can wait, they're only watching the skies. Hoping for the best, but expecting the worst. Are you gonna jump above us?
A fashion show.
Hey, let us be young and let us stay forever.
Hold on there. The pussy said he's been looking for me.
Scented like
see me blood clot, yeah.
Tell them to test me now. If they're feeling bad like how we try move, you know. If you're feeling a wicked, try move, if you're bad, to the large. Lord mercy.
Marcus, you come from all the way from Atlanta. You see you.
Line them up. I don't know hypocrite and parasite. I don't know me about me. How about them before I want to see you? So that that's man. Be a girl, I've got a
dirty Quest.
Here's a spread of roots. It's like boom, bye, in a party boy. Hey, who buy up from?
Pull up that song.
How about them before I want to see you? So that that's man.
And this you did not look for.
I've got a lot of work.
Blood clan, you're gonna get it.
Roots. It's like boom, bye, in a party boy. Hey, who buy up from more than us, the man, them off it day. Boom, bye, in a party boy. Hey, gangsta now. Waggy T, watch this.
Song.
Oh yes, Waggy T, you're large every time. You're wicked.
We don't feel say we don't hear Buju yet.
Number one.
We don't feel we don't Buju yet.
I could have one more. One them on the great what we do when we dance. And people don't make it that curfew. One more. One to the one the what we keep do when we dance. So we keep yada. Keep them helicopter.
Hey, little boy.
Fly like a shine a gun. After this sign we run.
Little boy.
No fix them. One prip the gate I was a sanation down. Missing 40 missing what?
Little boy.
Hold on it.
Yeah.
Me, you play a Lila Ike earlier. And I chat about wait from Bumper Clyde Custom. Hey, pussy wall!
I spy. My wicked DJ, I play so nice. I could come over, yeah, I really mean it. The way you play my music, everybody.
One on there, we can play the Grammy Kid. David. We can play the Grammy Kid. Keep back up here, man.
A long time on a DJ in a dance. Waggy T, I am a love the dance. Him pumping nice up the area. When reggae music start play,
Wait that cliff on.
I miss the dance and sell off. Radio sell off. Waggy T a play and dub play just shell off. People really see it and awful laugh. Promoter and them hype an awful laugh. Oh them laugh. Sha la 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 la.
Quest. First of all, nobody don't understand what y'all say. We need some ebonics to understand what y'all talk about because all night y'all talk some fuckery when nobody can understand. You need to fix the microphone or something for him. Me don't know. But, me did hear you say, you have a bad sound and feel a sound of fuckery. Play that song.
We're doing it. Waggy. Sure. Miami.
See that fuckery sound, y'all?
Best.
See that fuckery sound, y'all?
Mr. Ellis. Waggy T. Nice and easy.
See that fuckery sound, y'all?
Ha. Waggy T, them a play dancehall. And no rubber dub for you. In the dance, Waggy T not style. Cause he plays pure big tune.
Cause what?
Cause he play rubber dub for you. Yeah. Rubber dub for you.
Fuck that, man. Play some song.
Welcome.
Waggy T for them. Quest. Welcome to Sound Clash.
And I say left and right, Waggy T them a come. Left and right, below, way. Good God have mercy. And I say here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Welcome the Savior, welcome the Rasta.
Me and you say you have a 9 to 5.
Oh, that's the guy.
You wanna know about my 9 to 5?
Yeah, you know.
You this Waggy T, your skull going for. Boy, I won't.
See me 9 to 5.
You know, well in a sound man world, in Waggy T in clock in at work.
Alright, Waggy T, yeah.
Big sound.
Village jump and sound.
And we don't all about nothing. First round. First bumper clad round.
Waggy T, a kill and jump and sound. Set in a dance of it. Waggy T, a pie get sound, we kill him and conqueror. Ah, yeah. Tell them.
Song.
Waggy T, a kill and jump and sound. Set in a dance of it. Waggy T, a pie get sound, we kill him and conqueror. Yes, Rasta. Hear me.
Hold on now.
Champion Waggy T. No sound can play like we.
Dirty blood clot quest.
Yaga yow.
You talk about Waggy.
When the bubble say, one thing I can do, one thing I can say. Waggy T a lead the way. That Waggy T make them know.
You thief your sound. And now you wanna thief Waggy T crowd. It not go so pussy.
It sound up there. Sound boy we say. No sound one plan the con.
Tell them say I Waggy T. Let them know them can't brag the tea.
What's up, hey, hold on there. Come here, the boy, I play some bumper clad song. You not play no blood clad song yet. Where you go? Revolution, you gone pussy. See song, yeah?
Hey yo, you know this is Waggy T. And when Waggy T playing, no little monk.
See blood clad song, yeah?
Because Waggy T is the #1 sound in the whole wide world. Play record and dub plate. Barton Levy, step cross.
Shoo-doo-doo-doo-wop. Shoo-doo-doo-doo. Wow.
Disruption!
And the intercom rolls, the time to come. We go listen, Waggy T, them a murder some sound. Oh, wait.
say Waggy T, you too large and broad and Waggy T, you too large and broad then wrong way.
Hey, Quest, what you try to do? Friend me up and then try kill me?
That's for your son, you too large and in charge and broad then wrong way. Waggy T, you too large and in charge and broad then wrong way.
What am I praying about like we want to do?
What you try to do? Friend me up and try kill me? Like Dapper did Kingpin in Atlanta. Me too smart for that.
When I see some boy, I try step to it. You know we kill them from far. And none of them not ready for the war. Waggy T say, dirty son boy, I gon' get doomed. Your little jump and I put down in a tomb. Son boy shall show lip.
Hold on there. Yeah, the boy. You know what, Rue? Me feel if you go build more from Bumbleclad early because me is some pussy. I play some Bounty Killer. You can play Bounty Killer like me? Play me song, Rue.
None of mercy. Once again, to big but mighty Waggy T. None of mercy. On the spree. None of mercy. Ain't gonna say cree. None of mercy. Run the track because my gun's gonna pay the fee. None of
pussy, you can't play Bounty like me.
None of mercy. So let it be. None of mercy. Well, this is the mighty Waggy T. Once again, we're not going to ball creek. Big gun pop off and that pay the fee.
Not a disruption.
Them come up and you when them know them shouldn't try. Not give me no excuse, we not take all about it. Just fine. Needless to say no more when somebody's called for more. Waggy T say.
What a son in fact. Big gun pop out, bumble, wine drop. None of us.
But give me some stuff on the Billmore era.
No play down, me no load the Oscar.
Dirty blood clot disruption.
None of mercy. Well, none of mercy. Them want test Waggy T, you can't tell them fi come. Run out a look and now we kill them fi fun. Black blunt shot the latest we come down. A son now got dead before the rise.
Pussy wall.
Them fly like plane, them coulda drive like car. Waggy T come here fi kill and not to chat in a war. Care who them is, me never ask who them are. But them murder people and run back from
What you think? Big up the man where them call Sheba.
Billboard was early.
And the one Peter Nar.
Billboard was early.
Dead from far. Well, from a son guy fi dead, me so make it go so then. Because Waggy T them no care.
This is the Waggy T who set him on a trend. The wrong and right, some boy try to blend.
Billboard from early. Who remember them song, yeah?
Well, kill or me, kill them, see the talk and tell the Waggy T gun pop out. Them blood overspill. Kill or me, kill them, see the talk and fill. Lord boy, you're dead. Hey, me the murdering farmer, I'm gonna be in a hell.
We dead next question. Murderation again.
What's the difference between you and me? I wait for me for forward down from Jacksonville. You see me?
Walking name, they can be hunt and seek and find and kill. But if one so right, you will let her be hunt.
Now that the road time, I'm not take back no chat. And that's how we're gonna do it.
This is Pacha Pussy. You can play song like me?
Pacha on the case. Watch this. Give me now. It name. Now that the road time, I'm not take back make shot. Waggy T at the sound and I hit on the spot.
Oh Lord, have his mercy, yeah. Waggy T, got the whole country.
I want to do some little itty boo in ya.
Them this.
You got Bumbleclad there.
Say but this away we know because about ya we grow not you. We look easy and simple so you know say. This Waggy T a practice. We made a little fool and we not left.
Witness.
Jump boy, go ahead, them a bad man, them a bad man for them man. You better watch the little program.
Me know where about your custom.
People hearted and dangerous. Not a shot after dark. Waggy T now.
Never trust.
We a shoot both. Dirty left and vicious. And we never did name from a bunch of people.
You could play 100 million customs. You can't build this sound. You can't kill me. You know why?
Tell them they don't play like I do. Well, on them I run up them out on the screw. She nobody know. Them can't stop it like you. Don't try the things like you wish. What is it?
I'm so go bury your dead now. I'm pop it on for your dead now.
Go bury your dead now.
Son boy put us up on the chuck.
What are they?
TV a beat Matic and the Woods.
Yeah.
Say them now if it can they gun them pity.
Yeah.
Gun might a pity capacity now have no pity.
Yeah.
Never fit.
Timekeeper, how many times still?
Your body. Chai pala.
I took him black with Zara when I roll there and used to change the famous.
Tennessee a murder.
You want to give them a proper juggling?
Oh God. Well, Penny, I read about all the boy.
Disruption!
Not to me just put down the dark when Murphy and destroy. So pussy out the road and take Waggy TV boy. So that them are wicked and them run the play. Finish at a boy 9 feet.
Hey boys!
It's a press button. Boy no say nothing.
Marcus, you drive all the way from Atlanta. 6 feet blood clot dead.
Gee, that's right. Anyway, Waggy ball, high ball. One of these days, a sound boy test Waggy these town and this Lord we a go kill them. Sound a time, whoa yo, high ball. One of these days, Waggy Lord get heartless and cold and pussy head ground and lick off.
Walk to disruption.
Sound a time,
walk to them.
Me ball. R.I.P. Rest in peace. Pussy get a coffin and the phone get the with me ball. R.I.P.
Dirty blood clot quest.
Pussy.
You're full of chat.
Not another word, we not go no further. Them is what it is, them mother fi get murder. Another word, blood run like water. Bitch I told me business, we kill my pleasure. Well informed, I see Waggy tea them treasure. All the matches up in a me AK mama. Me clocking on me and then finger punching.
Pussy
what?
Gentlemen, clap the sun coming for his present with singing.
Should we make it in a life and you still a struggle you want to fight with?
Oh yeah.
Batty boy!
They just do it. Powerful them no like me. To me tell them things I see I almighty. I just do it. Powerful them no like me. People do your monkey.
If I talk about me never kill nobody, hey Boosie one!
Tivan girl, Juice land, Portmore.
Listen me!
Them a talk with a blood clot killer. And me a got there with my finger on the trigger. Me gun there you know, anything or anything.
Quest, you can't bumper clad friend me up, but me tell you why.
Win now boy, we try style me already. Two win on your face and five on your belly. You have a hypocrite style.
When you ready?
You have a girl proof.
Pussy one!
Give them life. Oh, we just give it away so we tally. It can't be like nothing to. Why disrespect what give him a left? People,
hey boy!
Give him life.
That's on the ring.
Man, I can play a brand new bounty killer.
That's right.
But no, say you know that one, Ian.
Waggy tea, tell them a one Waggy, one killer, one Godzilla. Tell it when them see Waggy tea, y'all a fifala. Say it when them step on them, murder the piranha. Waggy make it burn, all the fibanga.
Pussy!
One Waggy, one killer, one Godzilla. Tell it when them see Waggy tea, y'all.
Turn up the microphone, please.
When we step on me, murder the piranha. Waggy make it burn, all the fibanga.
Cool is done. Original bad boy talk that man will take that from the boy.
So much blood clot dubbing on that box here.
Boy, clean on the gun man.
So much y'all.
Easy man, original bad boy. Let me tell you something man. Mad Cabra again. Easy Black and Demas. Rambo will lead man. Who want to them man? Give me Waggy to your good boy.
Kill them, Cabra!
Yeah, yeah, me. We have full heap of guns until we gun come true. I don't know, we don't know which one of me gun for use. We have full heap of guns until we gun come true. And if you have the gun, then until you can. We have the matic and the Uzi Martin and the glass.
We can play a baby win from early.
Yeah, the girl them come up with a group. Tell me the demon don't worry, man.
Baby win!
Yeah, man, treasure.
Hey, boy, Quest!
Oh, baby win, sir. It's all I had it. Show. No matter time, me don't talk on them. Wash out.
Believe all the kings and love is all I bring. Waggy to the king.
So flowing a blood clot artist again, pussy. Take this one and fall under your father.
La 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 la. King Waggy to yeah. La 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 la.
Pussy wall.
But I can see it on their faces. Caught up in the wrong places. Can't live without change.
5 minutes rule.
No, you got nowhere to run.
Well on there.
Squeeze on my braces.
Boy, I talk about him a world class shooter, you not shoot nobody. You not even kill a blood clot fly.
Fear them. Let me tell you about streets anywhere we go. I Waggy tea is serious.
Waggy tea the never.
Let me tell you about
Boy, I talk about nobody can thump him in his bumbleclad jaw.
Go round we.
We'll see later, pussy.
Waggy tea. One cup plate it take to make some boy wipe off her.
Me not sure about you, but me sure about me.
See them can't puff. Watching a man. I said Waggy tea. Stick to me thing. Then no boy can't beat me. No switch to me skin. I me say Waggy tea. We no mix with the thing. Waggy tea. No skin tea thing. I said them say bad up. Bad up who? Which part? Which crew? I couldn't Waggy tea, them a chat about you. You can't call me coming up, call me. Hey, them say box in a face. When?
Oh, which guy? Me no believe that a blood clot lie. Bad way, when some select car try. I tell you that one them.
I call pussy. You had a pussy, I fucked your mother last night. Play with him, this is Waggy T. Pussy.
This is Shabba.
That's my cocky best friend, man. I bought to all in it. Lot of this, man.
You can play 1,000,001 bomber clot customer. One thing, me blood clot no quest.
We have the remedy, the last one we have the remedy for your brain. And we are going to live them. Half of them in we have the remedy, the last one we have the remedy for them brain.
Crazy. Hey, Waggy T movements local. Why? You know we have to do that about now. Waggy T movements about no. Sound boy get burned up now. Waggy T them set the thing to no. And new generation.
How much time we got, timekeeper?
I must have had this them a joke now.
3 minutes rule.
Is that don't give.
Play the next one first.
Watch it up.
See, it's a little story about life. Waggy T play a sound that surely die. A lot of people ask the questions why? Some sounds wanna go for so much more before they really learn about life's song.
You talk about Batman. If you see a Batman, shoot him.
Oh, what a controversy. Somebody boy get bossy. See ya, what a controversy. Somebody boy.
You see in a blood clot South Florida?
We just because the mountain fish at the body boy them. It's like a show. Hell up in a Harlem. Because the mountain fish at the sound guy them. Hello.
Booger in the field.
Look how the girl them sexy.
40 blood clot years in a.
With the underneath.
40 blood clot years in a this. You see Waggy T.
I say all who love Waggy T better put up on one. Back to the bounce gang. All who love Waggy T better put up on one. Madam.
Hey boy, quest.
Killing pussy and we kill them for fun. Killing pussy and we kill them for fun. Killing pussy and we kill them for fun. Yes, killing pussy.
Shut the pussy room.
Waggy T. Him not do no harm. Pussy to Nian, boy, product in a land.
Bumbleclad.
Fuck around the clip. Me ignorance, see them wash the ball. Come in this one, try no.
Boy, the way the boy they talk about me look like you really bumbleclad hate me quest.
Hey, rise is
me know why you hate me quest. Me know why.
One make them bitch. Two me no make friend of money me make. Gone uptown with a little neat preps. Gun from belly, the merit and never let.
But if you plan for shoot me, make sure your bumbleclad loaded pussy wall.
Me no left my dogs when me roll out now the market. Top rock, me
make sure your blood clot loaded pussy wall.
Bad boy rule, yo, movement, yeah man. Some boy don't grind me. Them not boy like who full of gun, and who full of crocodile teeth. Yeah man, them are dead when we reach.
Bumper wall.
16 pound of them kick. Head tap, bust up and split.
You can't kill me.
Run up and see.
And the pussy where you send can't kill me. You see me?
Only thing Waggy T fear the sky and cops. No one see no one cough.
Call of Duty, me no box down boy, me no kick down boy, me shoot it. Mad things are road, remember? New Vision versus Snow White. Friday, October 27th. Golden Lounge. Yeah. Do remember Saturday, November 11th. Jamaica 1 versus City Heat. Coast to coast war. Right here. First round. Disruption. Danger Marcus and Quest. All those of them take the round. One hands in the air, please. All right, looking up. All right. Take it down there, sir. First round. King, Waggy T movements. All those of them take the round. One hand in the air, please. All right. It gone. Yeah, it gone. Disruption. First round. All right. Second round. 20 minutes. Disruption on a steer. Good. Quest.
Hi, sir. After Waggy T spend him good money and send a greyhound go to Jacksonville go get that bread up there and him flop. Hey, man, big up some blood clot people in that place. New Wave family, big up on yourself. You understand? Big Red, Bobby the whole crew. You understand? Pop in, just drop in. This brother not playing a song for the woman them. Right? And we the ladies them come out for. Big up my schoolmate them. Big them up all the time. You understand? Remember play a song for the ladies them where they are tonight. Play the song.
A long time we a kill jump on. Run another rhythm, make we bust another one. Now we're in the dance hall to hang our next one.
Mr. Long,
1, 2, 3,
everything good, everything good.
Long, kill a jump on. I don't know it's all about disruption in our Sanchez attack, hear me? Same best crew know yourself in a quest. Hear me, call me? Yeah, man, the murder squad and I run that fast and cause some little punkhead somewhere where you feel like. I play one back up, splice. Whoa, whoa.
The bears them sound shaky.
Whoa, well.
For the ladies them.
Feeling sad and lonely. And need a sound to rock your body, yeah. Pick up the phone and call me. Disruption will be there in a hurry. Just a slaughter to murder, to kill some tonight. Every jump on will not be right. To rock you, to skank you, to make you feel right. Disruption till the morning light, cause we kill some. Oh, boy. Well,
watch them bumper clot song me give you though.
Disruption and murder. Who's gonna reach up? Who's gonna play down? Who's gonna listen? Who's gonna kill sound? Disruption. Oh,
Mr. First round, I'm gonna dead.
Disruption.
Mr. Second round, I'm gonna bomb cloud dead. First round, second round, pussy.
Murderation time. Sound boy, if you dead, gunshot na them head. Talk already and we not talk again. Sound boy, if you dead, you know mark you down 10. Gunshot. Boy, if you know say disruption sound are the best.
Sometimes you win some, sometimes you close.
South, north and west. Kwame. Let them know, learn out to mercy, we not get it back yet. You don't violate disruption, not dead.
Me not rush on something easy.
So we pity, destroy a city. Check say a joke we a make. Danger have no mercy at all. Quest with a like all. Make sure see enough.
We say the pussy bears them sound shake. You want to hear real bumper cloud bears?
Hamster. Ian Leaks. Kill them.
Boy, disruption and trouble. You
want to hear real bumper cloud song? Listen to this, pussy. Run up on them.
Watch what you play
the way you push your nose.
Disruption ready to explode. Watch your step and the way you push your toes. Disruption is a heavy load. Come up.
Him say me run Florida.
Boy, I know about that all. Devil them and
the pussy talk about they run Florida.
Who said disruption or no?
Let me tell you something, pussy.
Said that them a run the place and I done the place, but them out the place, yow. Them can't come run the place. How them for done the place? How we govern the place? Yeah. Said that them a run the place.
Early on you play on your flop, blood clot first round. Big Waggy to your flop. First round you flop, pussy.
Okay. Listen. Mr. Waggy by the morning sun boy can't come good in the evening. Well, and the sun boy I go on with boy. Disruption come to give you a beat. Disruption come to show that.
Praise the Most High Jah.
The boy now the God in our heart. You see him come up and play?
Oh yeah. There is no other like Jah. Be wise and a Jah a guide. Sound boy recognize. Wicked out, I must put you down. Burning you with words, powers and sound.
Ready again.
I don't know say big tune. Yeah.
When you talk about big tune, you talk about tune like this.
Oh no, no.
Disruption go everywhere and kill blood clot sound.
No, yeah. Went away to a far land. Killed some sound in a New York. Kill some sound in a Georgia. A sound one there from out here. Come from Florida.
Let me tell you something, pussy. You could have played every Bob Marley spit the pants spot love play tonight. You can't kill blood clot disruption sound.
My sound keep giving them problems. Disruption.
What's up, bomber clot here? Watch it.
No sound, no sound. Can't test the disruption sound. No sound, no sound. Can't create no vibes
to my sound.
Let me tell you something. Me ain't have to put up no playlist for Clash that sound now. We just improvise.
No back from no war. For me clad the 16.
Come tell the pussy this.
That simple means some boy fit one.
It's simple for murder that blood clot boy.
From no war.
Patrick, yours an easy walkover.
Never lose so far. Hey. You don't take me nothing to murder them boy they a baby. Or them a pre, danger Marcus ready. Call the rifle them grease like a pot full of gravy. No little tree yet in me land no but
one to them boy. Blood clot nyam carbine one.
Ever see Waggy play music and move him answer?
Outcast, let me tell you now music.
Patrick, you better watch it.
Stand up in the list. Ask them, your body man boss and your disruption and you. The boy I'ma put me gun on them. Gun on them. Marcus, motherfucking nigga should know. What time?
Justice! Are you a blood clot sent for them?
Quest. Well, who send them for me and them? Well, if I want them, let it happen. Just say this.
Look at the ladies them inside and you understand? Big up the ladies them with the camel toe pump pump. I love you know.
Disruption sound.
Sizzler! Ready again, so.
Watch me now. Fat pussy girl, I come angle me. Police boy can't handcuff nor bangle we. Yo, 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 yo. Why I'm the girl, they must breathe.
Oh boy, I don't know pussy clot song.
Yo, article roots, the marijuana, they in my system. Any girl me hold, well, she gon' be the victim. Total whipping, slipping, this.
Watch her. Me sure say, me I look on each side of the wall and I try to see if me see a white Chinese guy walk through. But I don't think he's gonna forward tonight. You say custom?
Oh the Lord, disruption. Waggy eat dog by day, and Patrick eat cat by night, and everybody Patrick. Lordy, Lordy, Lord.
You know what? Hear it again.
Ready
again. Jump.
Waggy eat dog by day, and Patrick eat cat by night, and every bite Patrick ate. Him say that it tastes so nice, him eat it all night. Eat the girl them cunt out.
You know you're not Capleton up here. You want to hear Capleton?
Yeah. Tell them a disruption. Them some boy they a malfunction.
Look for the ceiling fan. Look for the blood clot boy. Them up here.
String them up, hang them up alive. Good no disruption, them a try for the price.
And fool them man.
Justice of your song this though. I want to see a murder boy with a song here. You want to know which song me talk about?
Sickly man, lazy. Ready step
Ready stepper.
Jumpana, say jump and sound over sir. Pack out to the gate you pick.
Hold on there. The security boy. Are you let Patrick you in here? I want you to do something for me right now.
Pass me the damn ties and peel them. This
lock the door.
Send us out, boy can't run, none of them can't hide nor escape. All who asleep and be. Whoa.
Since you lock the door, open the bar because I don't want a pussy in here.
Hey.
We don't want him in here. Let him out.
We bury them. Hey.
Let him out.
Disruption send another song. Oh. Disruption I go send them out.
What if you come if you look up to kill a pussy?
Talking about a champion sound. Whoa, hey.
Give us some simple song, me I give some blood clot kick out.
Hey, call me some modern. Disruption kills up. Patsy them never want listen. Run up now we shot.
Patrick, you in? You say me hate you. Me not trust you. Cause you're Asian. I never yet see you represent Waggy sound or play some zouk or anything like that. You see you don't have no clean heart. You have to build, look on Dynamic. When Dynamic a play, you might talk about Africa and all these things. You're not saying nothing about blood clot. 80. You.
One man of my singer, and he's a prize. See that? Disruption. In a sound boy's life, disruption, I got slaughter them tonight. Make it fly, singer. Some say, but the saddest thing is so fly.
Rhythm Force, big up on yourself, yeah? Manners and respect all the time. You kick off a boy face. We defend blood clot Florida, yeah? But you can't put in a trust in another boy over there, so him don't know for blood clot carry the thing. Don't make him clash and defend for a lot of deals.
You say you wanna challenge me,
but guess what?
Like you can take your cheap ass dubs and frighten away. It's not that we.
You say you pop down in the first one and your blood clot lose it, batty boy, go spend some money.
Just later under.
You broke the blood clot.
Jump and now spend the money on them sound, that's why he pop down. Ah boy, I need a clash. We have to shot the pussy though.
The brother come here so for order blood clot chicken. Me come here for come war. War!
Now you know says disruption sound. Big up yourself on the quest. You say no danger, Marcus. Big up yourself for the Ian Links.
Remember that shot I want a shot, you know? Yeah. We have too much blood clot song. Where's some song?
Alright, disruption sound come fi mash them down when I lose. She said that I hype them, I hype and approve them, I prove. Come we go mash them down when I lose.
You see that song I should have played tonight first part. But me gonna play it now and kick him in the face.
Out clear, as a Vinci, you know. Even the mighty disruption. And
you remember say certain thing, you know, I'm dirty more to see.
Money, what a rascal sound clash. This must be if a fool come discuss me. Me make my ass light up like a Christmas.
Request.
Me no flink it and me no check me. Why? You could have big like pitch dark danger. Send nobody to brand line.
You talk about cartel pussy, you hear that one there?
They say if a boy this call me and question, clip and question.
You talk about thumping a face pussy. No boy can thump question on face. Let me tell you something, pussy.
It's easy popcorn. Let me tell you this. You can't thump me on my mouth. Can't box me on my face. Them can't. All you off and a puff and a go on. You can't thump me on my mouth. Can't box me on my face. I the mighty disruption sound. Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for.
Pussy not get no blood clot song in the city eat.
Heard a sound boy, I know. Disruption, heard a.
You see my each one him song them like he can't blood clot play.
That jump and sound the paranoid. Try test me sound while you committing suicide. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. We kill them on this side. Oh, you know, sister. The world need that them pop.
Well, you listen me, I walk up and look in the club, you know. Don't feel like say last, you understand? Me I look for which blood clot song for kick it.
Everybody sound around town, and you know, I the nation boss, yeah. I represent Ian Links.
No one better than the blood clot road.
Tell them disruption sound when them say we are so looking like we last, yeah. When the last we just are looking out with that, and
them fuck you leave me with.
You are here a long time merciless. Everybody's supposed to know the bad blood clot merciless, yeah.
Hey, Palindo, soldier.
The part internet at this me.
The other day I sound boy this way one boxy but he miss me. Want take me little catty press. Oh Lord God me wish me. Shut a day fi teach me. Matic pancake fi make it bad.
Florida we not play them something there.
Face me.
We have a blood clot gun. We defend ourselves all the time.
Yes. That see them get tipsy go straight.
When we are bossy AK. Pussy.
Them permitted.
Out of the matic. Let them have it.
Pop off your 3-star ratchet. Let them have it. It's leave my bicycle sprocket. Let them have it. Or a pen knife in your pocket. Let them have it.
They're gonna rise up something on the pussy tonight. Watch it.
See your danger, Marcus. Torment soul with a lot of sinful thoughts. When the devil whisper brain damage, darkness fall our head.
When me rise up, my blood clot AK upon the boy Patrick.
Yeah. When we lift each up. A circle them ends, everybody flatter. Mat 90 bus full of me da kappa. Sound boy brain fly like a bacchus kappa. And all them attacking.
But champion sound, disruption sound.
We also have a blood clot gun panel. We're not left it at home like the boy Patrick Ewan. Loose boy.
Alright, okay, talk. Never let them worry you at all. What the action?
The boy have to ask Waggy T for clash. Let me tell you something, disruption. The one that we pan disruption.
Watch the sound you kill a bumbox lad. Disruption. But anytime we no ask. Bust gun anytime we no ask. Kill son anytime we no ask. No this, hey.
Me I can play a bujo. Can I play a bujo? We can play a bujo. We can play one of the baddest bujo. We don't talk about say him for defend Florida. Let me show you say this is blood clot Florida defender. Right or so?
The big boss. Quest. Is he after this?
Now shadow no trust. Hear that? Whoa, rum sounds and sound and go then sound and again gunshot. This and this rum shot sound and we no take shot. Guess Danger Marcus, who them a shot? Tell them anywhere we go, alright. New York them fire shot, Florida you fire back. Texas a fire shot, this rum shot you fire back. Waggy you fire shot, yes Paxton that. City Heat you fire shot.
Pussy! You know you what say? Wait till him get the blood clot out of custom. The pure blood clot buju batty boy.
Them big boats. Quest. Is he after this?
I'm not gonna hear it.
No shadow no trouble.
Let them hear it, Deja. Let them hear it. Let them hear it.
Hear that? Whoa, rum sounds and sound and go then sound and again gunshot. This and this rum shot sound and we no take shot. Guess Danger Marcus, who them a shot? Tell them anywhere we go, alright. New York them fire shot, Florida you fire back. Texas a fire shot, this rum shot you fire back. Waggy you fire shot, yes Paxton that. City Heat you fire shot, this rum shot you answer that. Big life you fire shot, rum shot you bossy back. Take 9 you fire shot, and we never hear that. Oh damn, what them a say tell me?
Bomba clot wrong with you. Eh? Bomba clot. Me song them not done. Song not done yet, you know. Song no blood clot done, you know. Song no blood clot done. Song no done.
Big bad sound.
Oh.
Disruption. Look at them. Them thing with it done. Them thing with it done. Hey, them thing with it done. We just a come tell them. Them thing with it done. Them thing with it done. Hey, them thing with it done. We just a come disruption.
Mighty disruption, them a fight.
Show me a bad selector, the pussy want fight against me.
Well, the way
let me tell you something, batty boy.
Every good selector get a fight, cause them know where to play for make the crowd alright. Morning, noon, or night, or in a hours, you play a big tune for the music lovers.
Run the band.
Sound boy, everyone like the wickedest thing about Patrick don't know if to play the sound, and Waggy know if to play the blood clot sound. Him just a try something.
Well, sound boy, you try that thing, but you no scare. Them think them sit down pan throne when them catch pan chair. Shoot no job.
Pussy not talk about no weed song. Listen to weed song, yeah. Every day, press up your body.
Whoa, yeah. Disruption sound. Me have to burn me chalice whether day or night. Sound boy and malice won't go tell them that no right. Take King Selassie cause of them above the spices. That disruption sound. We win any fight. We disruption.
The boy stand up close to the bathroom.
Yes.
When he left off on the stage, I saw something stink.
I am a disruption, right? That's it. Tell some chatty, tell it full of pure shit. She a name Bruce Lee. To the way, him a fit pussy, I'm gonna know. One letter in alphabet. Why for yourself, pussy, all you a bitch. Coming at the dance and a hide and a switch. Think we no know, see you is a little bitch. Pussy hole. Nobody can save you tonight, disruption. Murder you quick.
Let them us.
Mar up on the wall like Berger was sick. Kill a bottom and select up on the son we have flick. Yes, sir.
Pussy no know a song, yeah, man.
Disruption zone, stand at home. You coulda come from Rima or you come from Jungle. Coulda come from Firehouse or you come from Tower Hill. One sound, disruption zone.
Ready again, so.
You coulda
black and British. Some boy for know.
You not play no bad spragger in a pussy.
Thing, you know.
You want your bad blood clot spragger?
I don't know. Straight class of body. Danger Marcus. We call hearted and dangerous. Not a shot after that. Amstel now go just go and me shoot first. Merciless and vicious. And we now go delay from a gunshot fee bus. Chill so cold.
Yeah, it's a disruption. Yo, some boy a malfunction.
I am 3 man forward there. I mean I'm 2 woman them forward there.
Yo, tell them.
Pussy, look on him.
From you see them, you will know them. Then you wouldn't know about who choosing. Oh, from you hear them, you will know them. Listen to the way how them smoking now. From you see them, you will know them. Then you wouldn't know about who choosing. Oh, from you hear them, you will know them. Disruption, me say we are gonna slow them. Alright, you know see a dead sound them. I don't.
Hold on. Bad boy Sue. The name that we are carry. You never, I don't hear about nothing about you. I don't hear you do something bad. I don't know why you're carrying that name. Oh, you talk about your youngster pussy?
Hey, about disruption, son. You talk about Danger Marcus, Earlings, Guess, Jugs Lad. You better say the man Chinsu. The only thing you got is for Kana, so that the city never see. Disruption, son.
What you know about gangster life, pussy?
Danger Marcus, Ian Links there. Jugs are there. Yes, them there.
Hey, bad boy, so.
There. Disruption sound. What the fuck they know about gangster kill? We kill sound with a bad boss.
Call of Duty. We not kick down, boy. We prefer shooty. Oh, you mean, man? Disruption, second round. Yes, 20 minutes. Next, King Waggy team movements. Patrick Ewan, shoot.
I like how the boy boil down, you know. You did a go on with a little thing, but you couldn't manage it, and we knew that. So, you call, whose name you call? You call on, whose name did you call? Whose name? My name you call? A Waggy name you call? Me don't know whose name you call, but Pussy, you love play custom. Me get an idea. Me say, boy, me never really know who this motherfucker Quest is. So I picked up my phone and I said, Siri, who the fuck is Quest? Guess what Siri said?
According to Wikipedia, Q's disruption is a suck pussy, sour belly, sound thief, and fuck baddie boy that looks a lot like Peter from the TV show Family Guy. He claims to be a sound killer, but he can't kill nobody. The duddy boy needs to go fuck himself. Tonight he's gonna die inside of Cliff's restaurant. And by the way, Q's, go suck your mother 10 times.
Pussy one! You say me bad on the internet, me bad in a real life. Play me blood clot phone.
Hey, son boys, we're dead from long time. And yo, gonna come back again? I'm a fool.
I talk about my blood clot berries there.
Oh, I get you know against it. I'm gonna show you a thing. I'm gonna teach you a lesson.
See berries, ya! See blood clot berries, ya, party boy!
Yes. I beg you play Waggy, please stay now. Play Waggy for me now.
Cause we play the dubs.
Make some guy you run away. You live again. Again and again.
Son! Me know what y'all do. Y'all look a little hype and try build a mix. Pussy that bumper clot something not gonna work. What y'all gonna do tomorrow? When they have the Waggy side.
Sorry for us, son, boy. Sorry for them. Pray for us, son. I'm gonna pray for them.
Pussy.
Sorry for us, son, boy. Sorry for them. Hate for us, son.
40 years we there in the business. This you can't bumper clot kill with some simple blood clot song, pussy. We know what we are bumper wanna do.
Waggy, now for them I change up, but I all could change up. Waggy success come, I don't know. This is for haters.
Pussy one.
No time for no failure.
Since your blood clot name Quest, you name Quest?
I go there away.
Alright then.
Send them a rock on a journey.
Haiti beat Jamaica. We gonna go worldwide.
We are outclass you, pussy.
We gonna take this.
We are gonna outclass you.
What we tell it?
Take out your phones. Take out your phones.
Some kid pity bill if they gotta pay the bill, yeah. Tonight my clap Waggy.
Take out your phones. Take them out.
What we tell them, Waggy? Someone please call 911. Yeah. Tell them that Waggy. This murder just sound.
Thank you, Waggy Team, Miami. It's Jasmine Sullivan. We need you bad. Keep playing this record for me.
We are gonna outclass you. This is Jasmine Sullivan.
Let's go. Hey, if I had you back in my world.
Pussy, you say we're not playing no girl song. Let me play some song for the girls.
In Miami, it's Jasmine Sullivan. We need you bad. Keep playing this record for me.
I'll play some song for the girls.
Oh, let's go. Hey, if I had you back in my world, I would prove that I could be a better girl.
Me I got outclass your pussy.
If you let me back in, I would show nothing, never.
Think your blood clot customer gonna save you. What on there?
Hey baby, ooh, I was so foolish to ever leave your side, searching for what was right before my eyes. It was me.
Not even rushing.
Didn't realize till it was gone, but now.
Yeah, talk about splice stuff.
I need you.
You see that one, y'all?
Waggy T, I need you bad as a heartbeat. Bad as the air I breathe. Oh, I need you bad, I can take this pain. Waggy T, I'm about to go insane.
Shoot them, bro!
Well, I said the video, bro. Waggy T movements now get the
10 times the pussy try shoot with. 9 times me tell them no.
Yes.
You see tonight?
Tell them why them too persistent so them die. Here is the reason why we not give up the fight. We keep ya jump and feel life. See them know you go down and in distress. Shoulda never make Waggy T know your weakness.
Bumbo. I'm gonna play that sister line. Clear that. Go on, play this one, yeah. Play that one, yeah. Play that one, yeah.
The fight is
not show the pussy, the man will play blood clot song.
Jah is my light and my strength. So
I play some Batman song now in the morning.
Jah is a shield of
God bless song in the morning.
So whom shall I be afraid?
Pussy we are rump with. You know me?
My king.
You know me?
A long time we are warning them in a Waggy T because the whole of them are run up them out. Yeah, the whole of them are scouted on Waggy T, a soldier and you run.
SSMG, they don't know, you know.
Everybody show them.
Watch the setup in the morning. Watch the blood clot
Waggy
setup.
T, playing in the long boy, hang.
Got a bumbo on disruption.
Sound boy, sound boy, sound boy. Look what is happening to your sound. Yeah.
Some boy try everything.
Every blood clot thing they want try.
But we still a walk, still a.
You still a go bumbo on them.
Waggy T, when nothing never work, when them mobile never work, them try to poison Waggy T, but it never work.
Whoa, Waggy T.
In on the pussy clot morning.
Well, cause in a this a murder clash. Waggy T give a sound boy
goof cough.
Some boy them dead, yeah.
Hey boy, disruption, you have song like me? You have song?
Sound who seek of only vanity and no love for humanity shall fade away.
Oh, na 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 na. Waggy T come to kill another sound boy tonight. Oh, what a fight! Sound boy, you're dead tonight. We now want hear no story. You shoulda never test Waggy T.
Rastafari, see.
Why, and we get into it in the morning. Get to it in the morning.
What the thing or just a come. Long time with the day and catch a sun. Create no profit and you put it down.
Original super big and butcher bantan man, fair girls. Lord of His mercy.
You play a butcher.
When a song contest, it's a serious thing.
You play a butcher.
When a sound contest, Waggy T. When a sound boy contest, it is a serious thing.
And you're chat about Waggy.
All in the game, it is a game for one sound. It is a game for Waggy T sound. It is a game for only Waggy T. We gotta kill him easy. Hear me now, we gotta kill him easy.
Wait for butcher.
Oh, now on the quicker. Somebody go call the owner people quicker.
Well, this is original medley. I don't want to see you. I don't want to hear the first.
From 1900 pussy.
The first two.
But you can top me in my face.
Why don't you call me some man for me? Tell them it's a case of emergency. Some jump and just want to test we. Waggy get mad and we go shot.
Catch a belly.
We know which one of them we a go kill much more. Pussy a go right them we just say the word. He that a girl you a go get. Come my friend Waggy, them tell them say man.
What are they?
People dead from when from early out when me pop off. All your head back then out people dead from when from early out when me pop off. Them stop talk and say
what are they?
Waggy T I aim to your heart. And your head a shut off. You can go to me and that is no about talk. Man I aim to your heart. And your head to shut off. And me put a belly coffin.
Them high, come build trouble. Waggy T, oh that life like
baby weird.
That high, come build trouble. Waggy T, just blow that level of one time.
What are the pussy?
Have a name and that this big beer gonna couch. Pose up in front of Waggy T like a roach. Kid must boat and no fry and French toast. Wicked man out that life like back out. So true that boy high, come build trouble. Waggy T, oh that life like jungle.
Now see. Waggy T, you tell them you a gun man son.
What are they?
TG Jungle.
Let me see your gun finger now. Show me your gun finger.
Show that it.
Show me your gun finger.
Well, so now go dead and not the world me a tell. Waggy T get the gun. Send one a hell. This Waggy T in a minute you fell. Get bullet in a your head. Damage your brain shell well. See Waggy T and you got take him for a parade. Now you're dead and now you whether you're dead. Waggy T in a concert. Me tell a boy, if him bad belt style gun man shirt, in a split up a second, you must get hurt, okay? In a the middle of, with a silent gun with a mate. In a them blood, them going to.
Don't let still control the real exercise on the lung for them, no man.
He's in a culture and sky, no see a sound dead when time.
Oh, the sun proceed we go.
Oh, this.
Waggy T, a rubber dub soldier marching on to war. Hey, yeah. Waggy T, a rubber dub soldier marching on.
This is called a creep up. What up?
We now look back, but it is as a soldier. Yes, we say we dep on the road and keep the sound them under control.
Banana is not enough reality and stuff. Catch it.
This is Shabba.
Have mercy.
Locks and Papa Biggie.
Exploitation of black people must have to stop. Lord. And the Martin Luther King where them fling gunshot. Fling Garvey in a prison to make him quiet. Catch Bob Marley in a medical trap. But on the White House we have a launch and attack. George Bush get a kick. Him wife get a box. Show them out of the White House and paint it black. Now the House of Congress who want a black diplomat. But for the 2nd Street we kill all forgot. Come in Shabba Ranks, me say want hear your chat.
I'm a nigga for life, a nigga for life. Proud to be a nigga, stand up and rejoice. I'm a nigga for life, a nigga for life. Proud to stand up.
Watch the blood guy keep up.
Hey. Whoa. Yeah.
Take your time and kill the pussy.
Waggy T is a champion.
Hey boy.
The man them in the club, the girls them in the club. The whole of them are just I do the rubber dub. The butcher and the baker and the candlestick maker. The dressmaker, the nurse and the girl.
Watch your set.
Joe Bonnie, Waggy T is in your town.
Hey Waggy T, I love the vibes and know the rhythm matter. Hey Waggy T, I bust the musical shot.
Music is what he's got, and he can always defend it. Dance all, no need no one.
I will not rap, you know.
Everyone is a star.
Like King Alpha and Mamma Mia.
Right, you know this is a serious time, violence and crime, and Waggy T I kill some boy every time. Oh,
timekeeper all the time, say.
In a fall, you know.
All right, we're good.
Here, him kill a man when sun shine. Oh,
kill them son, yeah. Waggy T I kill them clone, yeah. Kill them little idiot son, yeah. Them jump and son, yeah. Waggy T kill them son, yeah.
Hold on there. Dirty bumbleclad question. You talk about you play all over the world. And I so alone we play. Pussy, you know me?
Nine nice greetings in the name of the King of Lions. I play by the King Love is not like bring a nine nice Waggy T at top rank.
You know me, Batty White.
Says so. Set a eye, set a eye.
Oh, well, the promised land.
Now me, moving to the promised
you play Quest? You're not playing no Bumbleclad way.
Waggy T, locked down California, Sunset Boulevard, Johannesburg and Miami, Somalia and New York. Son boy lose them life, them and Waggy start war. Waggy T's
too much Bloodclad song.
Hey, boogie, boogie, boogie. Waggy T movements ever ready.
Too much Bumbleclad song.
Ever ready. Ah, yes. A sound boy is dying in this day.
Lord, you break Lord.
And when them get killed, King Waggy jump and run. A sound boy is dying in this day. Oh yes.
Well, yeah. Oh. Dylan Ragamuffin on the mic.
About thump in her face. Pussy wall.
Waggy T, a soldier in your army. Waggy T, a soldier.
Mind you not get a Bloodclad gunshot in this.
Amen. You know. Foundation the only place. Waggy T, none a trace. Fill up the king of kings with grace. Give Jah all the thanks and praise. Guys, my fortune and my fame. Never sell out just to attain. Loyally and I remain. Waggy T said to do the same.
Pussy was some song I played here.
See the Miami girls and Portland baby girls. Don't worry, Stefan and Massive. Big up on the stomach, man. Miami girl.
All who go and dance long time. Long time.
Hey son boy over there, sir. How you watch Waggy T over here, sir? Cause if you don't do that, my friend, then your number is 0. Cause Waggy T kill for a 2%. Zero. No more little son boy.
Tell you a long time we are Bumbleclad shooter and this. That's why they call me Patrick Ewing.
When they sit and kick up and I
mind me not shoot off your Bloodclad.
Yeah, you mean? Gun the Lero. Then you name for bad boy. Clean on up. Them can't take on off it that. Gun the Lero. Then you name for bad boy. One Waggy T. Them can't take on off it that. Gun the Lero. A bad boy all the time.
But you're tap, you're not tap. No way.
Sling the leg that gun.
Since a Bloodclad warrior want pussy tap now.
Yeah, you mean? Well, if I war, well, you know, make it go so then Waggy T have tunes fi back him talk them. Well, if I war, fatty boy, make it go so then Waggy T have gun fi back him talk. Well, if I gun shot, tell them we bustin' that we have the matic, the Taurus gun and
I must a city eat set you up.
Happy we miggle name that.
I must a justice set you up.
Oh, Waggy T, let everybody run a reel. Watch you clap for them. Them a clap when you're dead. Them a clap for friend. No matter what you do, them say you never do. Waggy T, them not rate you. So what them a do yesterday?
Me no want none of them pussy what they rate way.
Yo badness, yo Waggy T. Look how much rifle they are so food on. The first time me come here, so me say Kugan. If you feel like I am in, I go come up. You so once you them man I go do you. Pussy you no memory card, but the clip and full up. We see a funny boy shot all when it too much. If you feel like come your man I you look. Son boy wait till Waggy T pull up. We are Waggy T, but we no frightened for people.
But tell you say some big Bloodclad song I go play in here. You can't keep up with it.
From Waterhouse to Jerusalem, yeah. Finland to Delacre.
All who follow Waggy T from long time.
Portmore.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Opalak at the sunrise. From Miramar to Lada. From Homestead to Kendall. From Miami to West Palm Bay.
You see we?
Say Waggy T don't have a plan. Fi bust up the black bomb. A murder any stone in a the Yamagidi and some little something understand. Say Waggy a the man.
Me you play merciless. See the merciless yard.
Waggy T, me said the boy them. Did it for more and I give nothing to the pole. Almighty God bless. You grab a licious and greedy for you.
You see the Bloodclad night.
Ding 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 wow, Waggy T come again. Ding ding wow, we now beg no friend. Ding ding wow, Waggy T come again. Why? Listen me, and now we killing them, and now we killing.
Waggy T kill them and we now back from it. And now we killing them and now we killing. Waggy T I kill them and we now run from it. We kill them here, kill them there.
Cut. Because me and some pussy I make a talk about me bumbleclad buries them. I play a verse where the pussy can't play.
It's almost unbelievable that in a point in time like this,
take out the beer. Oh no, can't play that berries, yeah.
Thinking like,
but my berries them splice. Suck your mother body, boy.
Yes, Waggy T, you know you stand straight.
See that berries, yeah.
Judge, I bless you this morning. Thanks once again for the gift of songs you've given everyone, yeah. Always there to the rescue. And with a bag of dabs you do it all before the day is done, yeah.
Waggy T, I go kill them. Waggy T, I go kill them. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Give them something, Waggy, give them something. Give them something, Waggy, give them something. When I go work like no Waggy mom, and when time Waggy, I be friends on. Hear them style from Waggy T sound. We kick up like house, we gotta come down. I think I don't know. To them, we gotta do them no. Create up, we gotta create up. We gotta kill them. Waggy T, I go kill them.
Final one, Ro. Final one.
Kill this a big MC. One take man, but yeah, you boy.
Final one. Me a boy play a ninja, you hear that ninja?
Before you die, my friend, seek the Lord. Reach out and touch him now. And release the word, got me? Confess no sense to him. Eternity is now. Before you die, see, got me? Look at. Reverse the hairs, make we put in the dead.
Waggy T movements.
The Waggy T movements. Call of Duty, me say me na box down, boy, me prefer shooty. Yeah. Second round. Yes, we got to vote people. Second round. All who say the mighty disruption take it. One hand in the ear. All right, done. Second round. All who say Waggy T take it. One hand in the ear. All right, we see Wagwan. That's 2 rounds. Disruption 2 rounds. This is the 3rd round. 20 minutes. Please remember. Any sound will win 3 rounds straight. Win the clash. Disruption on already. Quest, dear Jamarcus, take it away.
Boy, Waggy T, I go fire your blood clot tomorrow morning. Yo. The pussy clot boy, you idiot. Are you going to defend Florida? You can't defend Florida, Batty boy. Play me song.
Working hours. The musical sound called Disruption. Easy question, you don't know, Danger Marcus. Miami, Atlanta to the world. Mad Spider sing again. Tonight we'll kill a whole sound. One whole sound we still get select by one whole cloud. One whole sound we have no played for days. But now do shit na the business cause them select our gears. And the once was King Waggy T me attack. From Poison that take over it come like the sound park. Waggy not take no clashes like him afraid man. And show him now no confidence in this pussy humiliation. Working hours. The musical sound called Disruption. Easy question, you don't know, Danger Marcus. Miami, Atlanta to the world. Mad Spider sing again. Tonight we'll kill a whole sound. One whole sound we still get select by one whole cloud. One whole sound we have no played for days. But now do shit na the business cause them select our gears. And the once was King Waggy T me attack. From Poison that take over it come like the sound park. Waggy not take no clashes like him afraid man. And show him now no confidence in this pussy humiliation. Patrick Ewing a waste him life pan the sound. 20 years plus I with no fight pan the sound. I'm gonna go past social media and a type pan the sound. Furthermore, you're not Chinese man, you're not even look right pan the sound. Which part in your career you even get stripe? Pussy hole, you never do shit when you're there take life. Your name not calling on no ratings pan the street. So much dub plating on your box and you still a run from city eat ya bitch. Take couple clash and you know win one. Waggy would not better off if I just him one.
Microphone's on call Danger Marcus. Easy no quest. Here's some shots.
Him say my 45-year-old, no?
Sound dead right away, boy, for no. No push up, you know. Disruption and you have the power. Make them know why you have the power. And you make bullet fire.
Something wrong with number 45.
Them boy have to take over disruption of the power. Them feel know why you have the power. Go tell them. 45 that now boss again. Every man on street them want and they fed. Disruption! Them boy they gonna tell them now have no other option. When them a play tough man. Hey boy, talk to them DJ Prezi. Give them his wall on the 5-star General Quest. Huh. His wall on that his best. One to them, huh. Danger Marker. I want to them Kwame. Scarface, his wall on the war face. One to niggas our face. Disruption them not by blood than your blood clot shoes. Them little pussy already was scorpion the truth. Them rise against disruption, them blood clot lose. Them mama sing the blues. Yo, you never talk about Tennessee.
Listen to me. Patrick Ewing. You see the laptop where you walk with come here tonight? Anything where you walk with come here tonight?
Sound boy dead in ya. Timpan sound them dead.
Patrick Ewing, me I go ask you a blood clot thing to do for me.
Lift up your sound and show it outside. We know that you lose the class.
Pussy wall! You have to get some blood clot kicking at this. John!
Ooh, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, which sound up here? Which sound up here?
A disruption sound, you know.
Them some if you take it easy upon the sound. But me now do that a blood clot. Watch ya!
Destruction and no mercy on the sound boy. Jah help them.
Watch some blood clot song in the morning. Me do.
Kill them.
None of us.
Disruption. Kill them. No.
Everybody watch the show. Everybody watch it. Banner clip. Banner clip.
What your eyes gonna see, so your heart gonna weep. What your ears gonna hear, little son boy, you gonna shiver with fear.
You want to hear a bad blood clot, John Wood?
One sound, we gonna pack it up and get it out of town. Mighty disruption, kill you and you tonight. Right now we are murderous sound. We are the killer sound. We come to bury your sound.
Park up a blood clot, enough cut pussy. Your sound bomber clot then. You live out your on the blood clot searcher. Watch the blood clot boy. Watch it, watch it, watch it. Kill them, kill them, kill them. Bomber clot. Danger. You're not real Jamaican. We can't play a blood clot Jamaican song. Now give a Jamaican beat right now, batty boy. Watch ya. Watch ya.
Sound boy run disruption, gonna bust a kidding sound, a black of false. When we nearly reach by the sound clash, I feel the bus.
You get a real Jamaican beat tonight, boy.
Kill a sound boy down by the dance.
SSG, what to the pussy there?
Could not suffice. A brother run to the clash and start
the boy start shit up himself round there now. Watch it.
Them boy they them afraid of we. We have the authority, long dance and party.
The boy sick and back so mad.
Worries in the dance, worries tonight, worries in the dance, worries.
The boy have the blood clot song.
I'm really gonna kill you, sound boy. You're never gonna get away. Disruption sound, wow. Boy, yo. Look how we kill sound.
Then I must. I can't believe so the boy run past that song I want to go play. Eh? That song I would normally say rush them like a pit bull. We now do that tonight. We are rushing with a blood clot AK.
Never splice. Mad something. Disruption. Hey, follow me. Hey, go now.
Hey, blood clot Patrick, you get a blood clot kick tonight.
I'm on to give them all a clip full. Out of them a kid. Clap them with the rifle. Mix with a shot him. Some sound boy I love the watch the chat the chat.
You have a youth named Laser used to play it.
Mix with a motor massive trying to mix up.
Laser getting a little trouble and he wrong go tell Waggy T.
No mix.
For the pussy blood clot bad mind.
Riot. Like mud clock on them case.
Wrong go tell Waggy T that you get in a trouble and Waggy T kick him off his sound. You see that boy, the Patrick, you in a blood clot informer.
A certain son of the dance are informer. Selector and them boys are informer. Cause them a fight against me song.
Sizzle have a song about clean up your heart and come.
Against me song and a murder.
We don't believe in another song there.
We used to live good.
We believe in another song there. We don't have no blood clot heart feelings.
Babylon can't fight, it's stay so. Rastafari.
Talk about heart feeling in a sound clash. Pussy if you take some blood clot kick.
Hey, disruption sound come kick out them heart and done.
Don't play drum section, boy, shut on the ground.
Kick out them heart and done. Yeah, them.
Look how long me there play sound in Florida.
Kick out them heart.
The pussy a just come.
Yeah.
City you kick up the pussy them, you go blood clot kick them too.
Real fucking niggas, no fakes.
Look how long me a war them pussy ya.
Disruption, I've been there all days of my life. Works good, them where I be, I'll keep my sight. Some will say, others do as they like. Some might just suppress them up with you.
Yeah, some people bet against it.
Some don't hear the rock.
But it was never hard or easy to kick them sound. We give them a little credit. But it was very fucking easy to lock off the pussy then.
Disruption, sir. Simplicity we used to survive. Men they found it difficult because they're ignorant and died. Simplicity we used to survive. They found it difficult because they're ignorant and hey. Simplicity we used to survive. Men they found it difficult because they're ignorant. Disruption.
Earlier my father, the boy out the door, a smile up with me. All of the man we know say no want no man smile up with him a blood clot, make some blood clot nice in the morning.
In this really waddly diddly waddly diddly in the name.
Lock off the blood clot. Lock off the blood clot. Pussy all out your smile with.
Way in the name of the Lord, disruption of King Teeth. I kick with.
Don't forget about them song your pussy.
Passing it's raining tonight. Disruption today.
Big up Cliff and Sharon and the whole crew.
Draw the
pussy against some blood clot kick. When? Oh, when?
Again, disruption come again, again, disruption come again, hey. Some operator boy them getting
anything you play now.
Testing disruption when they know that they lose. So that part of me boy you Kevin just all them fuel that go very.
Alanda comes alive and just a bridge. Stone Mountain, Decatur.
All this talk say a bad sound.
You York.
Mouth make for talk pussy, but you know bad.
Send them about sound fine. Disruption, I made a sound long time. I'm bad a sound and disruption, you just can't find. This time about music, smooth and where we are sound killer. Come to this sound, you don't call me off the fella. You go like your wicked sound structure. Your mother double into your heart. Exit through your liver, no miss a link.
Just because Waggy T give him little money, him run go join the sound pussy. You're bad mind, you're wicked. It's a disruption song. We don't licky like him.
One to them, money don't change we. Disruption and money changer. If them this you a danger, you work hard for your paper.
What my name?
DJ Quest.
That
for you.
Disruption sound I run up a place, man.
We tell you so the pussy no smoke my weed. I pay butt me see my flick out the door there. Fatty boy, you don't know about this.
Disruption sound. Blaze the chalice, make the water go some. He make him go some. He make it go some. Smoke the herb, the herb.
Right now we're in the blood clot, man. And the pussy we get some kick now. When?
Early one sound clash morning. Oh yeah. Disruption was in the dance.
I get some easy key.
And there was no sound to compete. When bird out of mind.
You know your ninja food bad on it. Watch your style, yeah.
Well, early out, early sound class man. This was a kill sound boy, left it drunk or feeding. Early out, early Sunday. DJ Prezi kill sound boy, left it drunk or feeding. Some boy them on the
Yo boy, shut the hole in your face, cause you don't have nothing for blood clots about Quest pussy.
What do them?
Shut the hole in your face.
Shut your mouth when disruption talking. Disrespect the little bit barking. Boy, not try and come this. You know the eruption now. Go shoot and miss me sing again. Well, shut your mouth when disruption talking. Disrespect the little bit barking. Boy, not try and come this. You know the eruption now. Go shoot and miss.
Come on up. You must have come for the trophy. Yeah, what
up on 19th Street and 31st. Never send blood clot Patrick Ewing right now. Go down there, so pussy.
Send sound boy. Go on down a graveyard, you fraud. Gamble with your life, but you draw the wrong card. Go on down a your graveyard, you fraud. This disruption and your murder. Me dash me and play.
You want to talk about anthem?
Exercise the fingers and let me.
You want to talk about anthem? Listen to the blood clot anthem here.
Understand? It's alright. Them say war. Them say war. More war.
Waggy, what you say I do?
Disruption. Them say war, them a bring, tell them that's not clever. Since a war then forever. Black talent fling, can't miss them never. Clock the spin, tell them whatever. War them a bring, tell them that's not clever. Since a war then forever. Black talent fling, can't miss them never. Clock the spin, disruption, tell them.
Yeah, hear me too. Some folks if you know the from them to blood clot mighty disruption, you know.
Alright, so I work with this.
I will go on them era, yeah, hear me? If a boy disco on me, I'm damn body fine, use knife, stop your rate. Shot, broke your spine, next you.
Talk about him and beat up disruption. Pussy, you get some blood clot kick on here. Father Cliff, tell him. Tell the pussy.
Well, look. Think a smile, man, I greet them with butter. Bell buckle, me go beat them with.
Lick up in it.
Them must
Lick up in
them
it.
big butter.
Lick up in it.
If a no black flag, it have to be a white. Yeah, man, it's war, son, stay out of fight.
You know, see the tune that black,
you got all the sound friend them in our place.
War them a dealing.
City where they are kill sound.
I'm begging blood clot paper.
Ready?
Eruption. All night we be killing hard. In a soul clash.
I never seen a boy there sound clash. The pussy stay home all day. Talk about your bad sound.
Kill a sound. After all the clash that we've been through. We can't kill with some disruption. Kill some sound. Make no good. Go and kill a sound. Danger Marcus a play. Go and kill a sound. And we run Atlanta. But when we go and kill a sound. Disruption sound.
You see that boy there? Him left from about 3 sound. And this idiot, they on internet, I post up something when Dapper do a little interview at Atlanta. The interview it says Patrick Ewing did send somebody else and him did a beat off his mouth. Or if you talk about your bad selector, beat off your mouth and send somebody else. Pussy.
Disruption so rusty. And if you don't know,
you left from Tech Life sound, right?
Disruption sound, that man too easy to switch dog. That's why them easy to kill the entire Marcus. Why you get you with the 17 dog and pull back for the trigger. Where them done what me back for the thugs them. And they will flash and say fuck them till I selector. The singing rest and stuff them start what we want to.
Listen to me, you're gonna left that sound there. You're not play Waggy T sound no more. You understand? You're gonna be like Jinx now, you're gonna look a movie. But I'm sure it's not a movie, it's gonna be a cartoon.
One to the baboon, yeah man, the cartoon, yeah man. Feel drugs like a Superman. Kwame, we shoot a man, cartoon, yeah man. Disruption, sound a sound go on. Shoot selector boy, a sound go on. Hanging on the brain, cushion up on the shoes, me is a for me belly. Fatter than the Air Force, me a fan. Me tell a gal more for card in me hand. Just when my night, I saw me go on. Disruption, a sound go on. Bustin' gonna carry alarm, police come the corner gun. Leaving I'm the lice, bro. But what we nice and so we go on, yo, the whole Jamaican.
Yeah.
I am also Patrick Ewing. Like you want to start on a Bugs Bunny show.
Them quest. All the cinema go like them run the place. Disruption, I go mash up the place. All them come go like bad sound too.
Them a who?
Scooby-Doo.
I'm sorry. Hey. Danger.
Run back a talking on the internet, pussy.
You know, see the pussy them a flip, so me give them everything in a the clip. Disruption, give them everything in a the clip. Give them everything in a the clip.
Shoot him there, John.
Like iron line them, so lost a million, try and find them.
Big Waggy T and Tony wanna come flop.
Tell them don't cause no bumbo clock disruption.
We rate Waggy T, we don't rate you, Patrick Ewing.
Mega day we kill.
See you.
We no rate them sound there. Disruption, no rate them boy there. We no rate them.
Today are tonight at Cliff Restaurant. What me I do?
Disruption bust them head. We bust son boy head. Anything rise against disruption, them have to dead. Post to them. Jump and son get cap and leg.
It's sticky by you tonight, you know.
Them are dirty.
It's sticky by your blood clot, Patrick Ewing.
Some sound boy and it goes and now disruption it goes and now.
You tune them shaky.
Hey just lad, see them now it gets sticky pan some sound where your place flies to it get hard. Tune them that you and them can't take the pressure from me. Do not chin and play them off it draw. Yeah, and some selector where you hype up in a dance and them don't have not of it get hard. But Ian Dixon stand firm road from time to time disruption control this sound. Danger Marcus.
Disruption sound. Hey DJ Chris, I am Ian Links. Yo, Kwame, hey Danger Marcus. Hey, disruption sound. Cha, we no textiling, we no grow so. We no shot boy fi give them cocoa. You no know we you see we pan photo. When you see disruption na the dancehall boss this. Too tough fi metamorphic, we are the hardest. Murder sound, pussy them a press charges. All crawfish, we no see your dirty crosses. Black the farties, full him up like basket. Gun in a palm grip, me go the and a massy. Go fi the target, place busy like mark.
The clash are easy and nice.
Them want 5 feet, them never know say yeah we make it world habit. We no textile, we no grow so. And we no shot boy and give them cocoa. And them no know with them see we pan photo. Bad class style jeans polo. Disruption addy. G.R.
Hold on there. People. When you no look on the flyer, right? When you see this brother of the picture so. That means say you know my blood clot ambition. You hold on your head pan cap and picture. Let me tell you something. Real bad sound, we don't take picture like this. We don't do that blood clot. Shoot him, Danger.
Amster, Jugs Lad, Florida, Atlanta, St. Mary, Gunbrad.
When we see some boy take picture like this, we have something to give him.
Gunshot, biggie jump and disruption, no malfunction. Guns galore got options. No see no sound before run from.
Hey boy,
shallow grave not broke and Ian Links don't fuck man. Rocket launcher for bus bomb. Fling body in a dust.
Listen up, Arthur.
And drive by and a ride. Feel like jump and nasty you. Allo tip peel skin. When we up on target. So if a sound got brave.
On the internet, me post up something, the pussy post it up. Your grandmother will tell you say enough you fall back a man.
Yo. Step if you a step now. Step if you a step now. Pussy sound. Step if you a step now. Batty boy stop sentient now.
You still so.
Them won't do bad pan Twitter and
you will know. Them fucking grinds it now. When we say we sound blood clot here.
Got some fear again.
A gunshot. We give them from them violate the ends. Must be my fucking enemies because we show the entrance. To them don't know we living on a down low. Disruption come tell them so. Mr. Bust it up. Blah blah. Bullets to them every come to fuck it up. Rascal and sound boy you dead and Mr. Bust it up. Blah. Bullets to them every come to fuck it up.
Hey boy Patrick Ewing.
Me tell them now. The fucking piece of shit I don't.
They're gonna beat up your son. Yasha, Florida.
Fuck off.
And New York. Atlanta. Every blood class way.
Time for them to have a danger quest. Kill him at my best.
Pussy wall.
Don't go tell your pussy we fair.
Blood clot wrong with you. Where the photo on there? Your pussy clot you. Waggy T, I'll give you some blood clot leak tomorrow.
Why? 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 Call of Duty. Me no box down, boy. Me prefer shooty. Big up to the beautiful ladies off inside the house. Yeah, man. Make the place look nice. That's what me I say. Big up the warriors, them. Big up the killers, them inside the building. All of the sound killers inside the building. Yeah, SSMG in the building. Teacher in the building. Corey. Tech 9, Daddy Sock City Heat in the building. Jamming on the building, that's what I say. Trendsetter, Rhythm Force, DJ Rider, Unleashed, Prodigy, New Vision, Big Life. Big up anybody where I'm not say November 11, right here, Jamaica 1 versus City Heat, third round. Patrick Ewing, you have to go dig down. Hey, do the thing. War is a third round. Patrick!
You played first. And when I rush the clash, you want to go home? I'm going to send your bumbleclad home. 1 minute. People! The little Itibu I tell you about, Laser. Yes, Laser used to play the song. I call Laser, I say, Laser, you clash disruption many times. What it is about them, he said, it's easy to kill them. You make them think that they are winning, and then you bust up them pussy, kill them, bro.
Hello, Waggy, needless I speak. Push it on dead already. Yeah, man, them way there. Yeah, my brethren. Big up yourself, yeah, how you run things. No, I'll
because you know no anthem, you talk about my anthem, see anthem.
Waggy a bad boy, from him down a Florida. Clean out no gun if you no know the answer. Waggy a bad boy, from him down a Florida. Clean out no gun if you no know the answer.
The name a crossbreed. See, just learning. Waggy, Chinaman, I ya go and lead. Well, alright, I'm here with the nigga section.
You might have win the first round.
Dark.
You might have gone with second round, but you didn't
know. Red no, I want to take Waggy for. River knows a Waggy a bad selector. Red no, I want to take Tiger for. Murder the Tiger.
Sound for dead. Make them know we not save no land. Gunshot for bounce up in a sound boy head.
Pussy for dead.
Waggy T not save no leg. Gunshot for bounce up in a pussy old head. Them never hear what
Waggy T say.
Yaga gang. Spite fit die, and informer fit dead. Informer fit dead.
You want me to pack up my sound?
Yeah, I'm gonna
pack this up, pussy.
Found you. Alright then, you little son friend. Pack up your trail and crosses. Pack up your trail and crosses. Waggy T them and innocent crosses.
Until in the morning, Bumble.
We are biggers. All of my crew big up. Waggy T.
We gone with that round, yeah.
Easy, watch this now.
There's a sound in the lawn. Waggy T will kill your sound. Waggy T play much better than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there.
Naughty question. Or should I say Peter? Peter, you talk about Buju. Suck your mama.
Waggy T tell me no. Oh, we know the dance all around. Put the war back and down and you have the
big song in the morning.
Some guys choke for Waggy T steel. Out of the mama there.
How this?
On it silk.
How this?
When the Waggy T play, when the Waggy play, the wounded soul tremble.
Pick up your shoe and stuff it in your mama pussy.
Everyone is gonna love this. You will never forget this. The Waggy T giving you niceness. And I guarantee.
Wait for Tony Rebel.
Everyone is gonna love this. Choo-choo. You will never forget this. The Waggy T.
You did I wish say you could have killed me pussy. But guess what?
That
sound boy them ballin' one day. And every sound them open somehow.
Bad bumbleclad sound from 19 all along. Nobody can kill this. You see you disruption.
By your sight, Waggy T, you better run. No way till we spin and double you a run. Waggy pop out the double heap of sound. I go down X amount of people life I go. Waggy T.
Y'all talk about weed song.
Tell them to split.
And play one fuckery song. Sing Ganja Man song, yes sir.
Tell them. Waggy T light up the chalice, make we burn down Rome. I pay for John Pope out of form. We don't lose a bell, weep and moan. One thunderball.
Yeah, sure.
Steve Ragamuffin Marley. Waggy, number one selector. I say, hey, pam 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 pam. This is Ragamuffin from the ghetto youth camp. Anyway, Waggy play them same Muslim.
I know your mama, she's body low. When the big Mac came, nothing.
Pussy, you know me.
Now the world brain moving, man, like all black wizard out on all whole yard. Brand new machine. Can I see that? What would tell him say?
Shove this under your big mama pussy.
Oh God. Waggy say, I know your mama, she's body low. When the big Mac came, nothing land in your mouth. You sleep like a pig, your head back as a boat. If your poopa walk,
sing it.
I'll never jump out. You're this the man from Miami. Shot boy beat out mercy. Murderer. You this the man from New York. Murderer. You jump on your
suck your mama again.
Oh, he gonna dead because them get too nosy. Pussy all a trace, I must see him name Rosie. None of mercy. Boy, you go dead. Tell them not give me the argument. Waggy come fi kill. We gonna take statement. Pussy all dead. We the bag argument. Kill we come fi kill. Cut out the long conference. Hey, why? So me gonna sign autograph and it no.
You not bad like me no day about your blood clot shoe.
Have you ever seen a 45 before? Does someone ever get murdered front of your door? You the balls and no murder me. Hey, you the ball, bloodshed no pretty. If a jungle is all you went and him red. And this
no bumper clad bad like me.
Make your funeral spot.
About Waggy T a Boosie.
Major, what I say? Watch me. Me say, how we do the killing and the burying. How we try the earth go funeral and thing. How we dig the grave, no doubt about that. Put in the cup, my plant flowers, sponge up again. We do the killing and the burying.
Bumbo, you had a choice. Make it here tonight or go in a blood clot coffin.
You want one up? Me look and say, chop. Every sound have a right to decide his own destiny. What say? But it's like what you think. It's like it's not don't shut nobody. It's like a long time we see them in a bit.
Pussy, all you not bad like me, no day.
Not anymore. Tell them pussy feel pain. Gunshot leak like a rain. Anyway, Miami. Waggy look and say, what tell them? Watch this. Waggy a murder pussy, me say we no give no lie. It no make sense, a little pussy clean and cry. Select a suck pussy on a man a gay guy. Waggy man them put on
Batty boy.
Sing un fi crepe, oh fi blind. In pharmacy me gun and dead same time. One bag of talk,
my left tech life.
Mama tell some poopa dead on me no ways. Bad boy pop off your KG9. Bumbo.
You know what, might as well fuck that shit. That next song, yeah. Bigger than your wall from Bumbleclad Butcher them where you play Batty Boy.
I got it every time. Extra large like a size 12.
No Butcher, you play bigger than this.
Super big without a doubt. Anyway, stretch out. Like fat like the exercise the most.
Oh, you thought you was gonna win, didn't you, Batty Boy?
2 years. Don't smoke. Waggy T moving like a nuclear. Pussy try test with them must be prepared. Waggy moving like a nuclear. Anything test, you know what? Waggy T is enough for them.
I disrespect Waggy T. Waggy, you're a blood clot elder. You not fit disrespect your elder.
It's like no respect, disrespect in all aspects. Someone don't know who them a deal with. Them stop and check. No respect, disrespect in all aspects. Them don't know who them a deal with. Waggy T, tell them how we got guy no life for no know. We no know what sleep we a patrol out to do. How we protect who no life for no know. We no know what sleep. Waggy T, tell them use your boss.
Take out your phone.
Won't show one you know.
Take out your phones.
Them didn't know.
Take out your phones.
Musical detriment. Waggy T keep rinsing, shutting head. No need to ball, no need to beg. Waggy T no save, no lead. Our Lord. Another call bus, but receive another jump and dead. Family and friends.
Take out your phone.
Somebody.
Make the wall near them can bend. Amen.
Take out your phone.
I ain't see people for dead man.
Take out your phone.
The friend man, yeah, me tell them. Boy, them come from us again, man. I cancel the disappointment. Jump on some boy claim that when the come here, so fit on the heat. Proceed the sound and the loud, and the people's heartbeat, and all the people them are dancing on the street. How about them make me tell on this? I miss it tonight, you're going to get your rich. Or say the doctor bring the stretcher and your mama on your belly and we cover down your face with the shit. Tell you about the murder that.
Bad from where? How him? You know we pussy wall? You know we?
Whoa!
You know we?
Waggy T and the murder song.
You know we? Y'all look for me pussy.
Listen, here I am. Waggy T killing off some jumping sounds again. In just when they thought dogs would set them free.
This is the blood clot king.
Waggy T.
So many have tried, but nobody can do it.
You're playing dogs. So Waggy T. Hi.
It's about blood clot God bless song. And you play Sanchez and you now play this one.
Hey, there are lots of sounds in life, some that you may not like. You could be living this minute, the next minute you're gone away. Hey. Hold up your head now, Waggy T.
Fire!
Be conscious.
Floyd, them I got dead wicked, you know.
So bad.
Trick them, get tricked.
Surely be paid.
Tell them pussy.
Aye. So never try to diss this song.
A big bad bumper clad sound from Southwest. No pussy can test this body wall. Fall under your mama when free.
Hey, you know ramping no skin, ya know we ragamuffin. We clip a sound boy way and thing. So like Waggy T, I go lick them off of them premises, cause we grounding in the ring.
Hey boy.
When we come a dance down, we know we execute.
Hey boy.
Swear a sound boy, I'm telling you the truth, we'll pick them like a fool. And so we lock them away in a fridge.
Southwest artist.
Southwest
artist.
Test. Fire. Things again.
Southwest artist.
T run things again.
Hope the Lindo.
Get T run things again.
Hold on. Cause me never intro that right, but watch me intro it and murder him. Because the pussy turn up inside. Yes, sir. And I tell me, say, me I smile at him outside. All right.
What sound boy I try come do?
Me I smile at you?
Yeah.
All right, Batty boy, hold this.
Hold it on. Now this is up to Lindo. Test.
Hold this.
Things again.
The pussy I tell people, say, me I smile at him outside.
Waggy T.
You know why me I smile?
He's got that smile cause he know he's winning. Tonight is a sound boy killing. King Waggy T will murder you. And you know it's true. And in a while, sound boy, none of your wishes will ever come true. King Waggy T is gonna trample you.
Pussy! You want to play with the big sound?
In your right.
Take a big bumper clad kick.
Waggy and the ruler.
Take a big bumper clad kick.
Could a big market, large or small. Waggy come here fi rule up all DanceHall. Lord.
I look like a tune for tune in a bumper clad morning, pussy. John Holt, you play? A Southwest artist, and you play John Holt?
Now this is Diamond John Holt acknowledging Waggy T, the #1 sound, the champion sound, the ruling sound.
Southwest artist, you play John Holt against?
My dream last night was about Waggy T.
Killing a gym pad sound.
Waggy T, the champion sound, a dissa sound. So listen to sound and understand.
I'm gonna kick you till your mama teeth fall out.
Okay. I want a sound I can feel. Waggy T's the only sound I know is real. Waggy T's the only sound that makes me dance. Waggy T's the only sound that is full of romance. Oh, Waggy T's the champion sound. Everybody knows Waggy T's the #1 sound.
Y'all play against big sound, take big bumper clad kick, pussy.
So we love Waggy T.
Make me see the name in the ear right now.
What was it?
Tired of taking the babe. Waggy T, I got just 7 again.
Whoa, Chinaman body is my friend.
Disruption!
Right now we're gonna murder someone. I know what you be playing over the dance.
You notice how it boiled down and I'm round. Disruption!
Don't boy, your boxes are getting weaker. You can't stand quality pressure. You're getting very weaker. You've got to find some other treasure. You need a better sound.
But me left Miami and gone to Jacksonville. You soon left Bumbleclad Miami. Here why?
You don't know. Big up Waggy every time. Yes, lad.
Pussy!
Waggy will be playing there. We are shout. Waggy will be playing there.
Disruption!
This world of calamity, dirty looks and grudges and jealousy. Sound boy we don't know about variety. So them sound can't complain.
Miami! Once again, big kick from Big Bumbleclad sound. Pussy! You play D Brown under the worst mistake you could have made.
As you got dead. Step cross, you will rugged cross and you the man.
Nobody now want you! Dirty disruption!
Some boys them are weeping and I'm mourning a yes, weeping and I'm mourning a lot. Some boys them are weeping and I'm mourning a yes, weeping and I'm mourning. Cause them sound us a pack up and them not know to come over. Waggy him come over. Some boy can't get over.
Pussy, you play a Pluto. Pluto are my uncle.
Waggy, we're there a long time and we now move. Big up my friend. Kill sound. Pluto this. One more sound boy gonna dead ya.
Alright. Yo. Don't show the pussy. Say, him can't do it nothing, you know. I like a tata that. I like a bumbo and pussy. I try a thing about laser and laser this and laser that. Pussy, laser tell me about you, know. Laser say, this is what you do for Bumbleclad kill you in the morning.
Yeah. I'm an original Jamaican authentic artist. A big up man like Waggy T.
Hardcore chuckle in the morning, Marcus, big up.
Ball crew.
But y'all got dead, I'm sorry.
I'll send the
I'm sorry.
Yes, man. Touch it, Mr. Selector.
You should have warned him.
Waggy T.
Hey, boy, Quest.
Oh, yes. You cannot find a sound to kill Waggy T.
Waggy T, where's the crown? Waggy T, where's the crown?
John, don't you play on Southwest, huh?
Sound boy, come to Waggy T school and let them teach you the sound rule. Sound boy, you better know yourself because tonight it's going to be dread. Waggy T is the #1 sound. Waggy T, he rules the town. Waggy T is the #1 sound boy. Pack up and leave. Waggy T's the ruler. A Waggy T border. A Waggy T control ya. Well, territory. Yes, I really Waggy territory. Oh.
So, yo, kick me and kick up the pussy for fun. Kick me and kick up the pussy for fun.
Phoenix represent Waggy T, 10-stepper head of them, 10-stepper.
Kick them for fun.
Selassie I federal, Frosta we a fight war spiritual. Yes I, welcome Phoenix the general. Waggy T, him step in a the war make a entry.
Kick me and kick them for fun, pussy. You're going with first round, you're going with second round, but guess what? Guess what Bumbleclad was?
If you know say, when King Waggy T come to the dance, I just know niceness and sound can't test. Patrick, you and them to know that. Lincoln Sugar Mine at every time and tell them to sound right. When you take the lead, make sure you can maintain it.
Disruption!
He did sound one, try to test the king, you can't win. Hey, we are the sprinters, stay a long distance runner. Sound wind up at that right is sweet King Waggy at the sprinters, stay a long distance runner. Sound wind up at that right is sweet.
Pussy, you're dead!
Yeah. Waggy T, some guy, a portrait,
Everything Waggy T play, them trying to get the same way.
You see it?
Can't work. All the wicked man.
You see it?
Watch out. Fort Lauderdale, yeah. Big up all the wicked man from Florida. Boom down the mic to them.
Tell some naughty boy.
Life pick up and pass. Them eat out the grass. Yeah, he's a puppy iron. Across the line. Until kilometer wicked son. People don't know.
Tell disruption this.
Waggy T gun, no giant logic, no giant church disrespect. We somebody must lie and don't give we no talk. To kill his Waggy T, work just up he dead. Make Waggy T drive, explode. White in joke and style Waggy shot.
But there's a flame for Pope Constantine. Waggy,
but your blood clot killer a pussy.
Where we say, cold-blooded murderer. Waggy T say what to no require. Hey, some boy a flee. Because them can't just Waggy T.
Well, them say time I run out, bro. Them say time I run out. Well, we got 31 minutes, all right. All right. I don't know that. Maybe play a girl song. Since you say we're not playing no girl song, maybe play a girl song. End it like that.
Tony Kurtz again, and Chicks a kick. Oh gosh, watch you old face, man.
All the God dance long time.
Like him out because.
Remember them song, yeah?
What them over? I don't know what it is that you done to me, but it caused me to act in such a crazy way. Whatever it is that you do when you do what you're doing.
All right, we know this I go tune for tune.
Time. Call of Duty, me no box down boy, me no kick down boy, me shoot it. Walk on your son now. Third round. How the clash I go on Call of Duty? All right. Come with Georgie. Disruption play first. All who said disruption win the third round, 1 hand in the air. Look good enough. Now look around this out. Third round. All who say King Waggy T win the third round. Call of Duty. Me say me no box down boy, me no kick down boy, me prefer shoot it. Hey, hold on there. You know somebody do want to put somebody in the casket look a while. But them say tune for tune. For the money. Yeah. The fans them there, they want to see some more war. That for no, best of 7. Them did agree if it's a best of 7 already. 10 is an even number. Best of 7 you agreed to already, my brother. Best of 7. You want to go on. The man them so not rob them shot, they want some more tune for them money. Best of 11, that a 6 tune win. Why not say best of 11 or best of 7? What? Hold on, man! Come with Georgie. All who say best of 7, 1 in the year. All who say best of 11, 6 to win. One. You don't see it. Best of 11, 6 to win. Disruption versus King Waggy T. Big up Tech 9 in the building. 2023. Why Patrick, you and me don't know where you find it. Look a while, but you got St. Mary. You find it in the third round. Gozo working at it. You see it? How are you go? You got it right, my brother. You say it's 2-1. Right, but you got to win 3 straight. Yeah. Then that's why you got not tune for tune, because the man squeeze off the one. All right, here we go on. And the sound won't work for. No, man, I'm more run on the man. I tune for tune with them now, man. What do you? You think you can make up your own rules in this? Yo! Tune for tune. Una line up, my brother. Una line up. But the man them say they want to spin a toss again, you know. Kind of. See him order. First round tune for tune. Make them start it out. Yo, 2 USB in us, so I can't set it, you know. Oi, are you ready? You ready? First round. Please remember this is a 4-round clash, not a 5-round clash. From you win 1 out of the 3, you automatically go for tune. Yes, you can win 2 rounds and win this clash. It's not your normal clash. Yes, sorry to tell you that. So, Call of Duty, me a back song, boy, me shoot it. Every tune for tune we gonna judge, right? Best 6 out of 11. I'm ready. Disruption, you ready? First round, tune for tune, disruption.
Yo, me see what go on, you know. The man them want tune for tune, so them jump up and cheer for him no matter how him they flap. I understand there's something there. The people that love song, nothing wrong with that. But you see, tonight, you understand, this brother named Patrick Ewing, I play like him there one little round robin. Well, nothing wrong with that. You understand? But the pussy now play the right song them.
You know, anywhere we play, mighty disruption sound, mash up dance. Cause your sound is a little noise nuisance, but we are a massive disturbance. JC Lodge here for Big Up Hamster, DJ Quest, Danger Marcus, Dapper, Ian Links.
Let me talk to you about that song. Yeah.
When we done with you, no sound boy live.
All the big sound of my Florida are the worst.
Yeah. Disruption take your life. Every minute, a next sound boy die.
They're gonna last in a tune for tune. You feel like say you have the big song them? Watch me, your blood clot. They're gonna trick you tonight. Pussy.
First one in the tune for tune. King Waggy.
Cause tell us if we did that trick for morning, you know. All the while am I worried about how me I laugh throughout the dance? And it looked like he was winning. Yes, so you're gonna blood clad dead pussy and I know song. Tune!
Garnet Silk and the Rebel, superb combination for Waggy. Watch this!
Waggy is a stepping up. Waggy is just stepping up. Whoa, whoa, hey, yeah. Waggy control things. Roll them, Waggy, roll them. Waggy is...
Call of Duty, we no back some boy we shoot it. Dub for dub, first round. All who say disruption, take it one and another here. Dub for dub, first round. All who say Waggy T, take it one hand in the air. Waggy T one. Disruption.
That is a regular thing, you understand? Listen me. You see that brother here? You understand? He might try win the tune for tune, but the pussy not gonna win it. Me have something for him.
Apology. Quest, big up yourself. Fierce, easy now. Whoa.
Patrick Ewing.
Killing a sound is so easy to do. And that's what disruption gonna do to you. It is not good for you to test this sound. Disruption sound is gonna murder you. Tonight when you find a sound.
You want Marcus, take off the headphones, go over there, sir. You don't want the blood spill upon your brother. You don't want the blood spill upon your brother. Make him play the song by himself. The pussy now no bomber-clad speech. Bout, hey! Patrick Ewing, say so. Pussy, you want chat? Chat some more. Chat some blood-clad more.
Laugh out for them, Waggy. Laugh out for them. Them can't play this one. You alone can play this one.
Me tell you, said don't go deep round with me. Deep. You want chat?
Yeah. Play what you're playing and do what what you're doing, 'cause you've got a sweet little sound. Money can buy, and I love.
Call of Duty. Me no box down, boy, me shoot it. Stop it. Second round. Tune for tune. All who's a disruption, take it one and in a year. We are look. Second round, tune for tune. All who say Waggy T, take it one and in a year. Tune for tune. Waggy T 2, disruption 0. Disruption, take it away.
Yeah, man, that's our Waggy T favorite number. Listen me. I'm giving him a blood clot Jamaican beating. So me have to give him a blood clot Jamaican kick.
La 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 la. Hey.
Waggy T.
You shouldn't contest disruption. See they know you lying dead on the ground. Him set the trap and see that you walking. Tonight him surely keep you wing. So listen to me, you little son boy. Me say you better sign your will. Son boy, you better be chill. Because tonight you're bound to get killed. Oh, 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 oh.
Boy, yeah, try, you know. People, what is? Tune for tune, and which round is in a tune for tune? The third round in the tune for tune. That means that the whole night you play fuckery. And look what song you make beat you. Play my song, bro.
Yeah, Prince come the ragamuffin Steve Marley.
Alongside the mighty diamond, Scoop son boy, they know.
Remember when Waggy T.
This is a combo. Listen. Listen. Listen.
Some sound of a tune. That's why they're there. Sound of a tune. That's why they're there.
Some sound won't clash, but them not have no tune.
That's why they're there.
Call of Duty. All who said disruption, take that round, one hand in the air. Put them down. All who say King Waggy T, take that round, one hand in the air. Disruption 1, King Waggy T 2.
Why you stuck on 2, eh? Pussy wall. You see tonight, after you lose this blood clot clash, I'm gonna tell you something to do with the sound. You're gonna tell you something to do with the blood clot sound.
Ding ding ding. Dang 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 ding. Disruption killer sound and fling him body inna the gully.
Pussy clot around, you gonna suck yourself, batty boy.
Wow, that was really tasteful. Yeah. All right. Tell you say the pussy down no song, you know. Sky him gone. Watch me kill him. Play the song, bro.
This is Dobby Dobson for Waggy T, the champion sound of all sounds. We come here to
pussy, you know no song for me.
You're not in a position to compete with Waggy T sound.
Call of Duty. Quick and fast. Disruption, take the one hand in the ear. Put them down. Quick and fast. King Waggy T, take the one hand in the ear. Disruption. 2-2. Disruption.
A 2-2. Me have to left off of that blood clot too and make him stay a blood clot too. You understand? Watch you now. This boy I don't know about blood clot Jamaica. You ever see my Jamaica? No, right? That boy them, I'm going to show you something. Jamaica Sunday morning, right?
Oh, Jesus. Disruption kills some jump and sound for we. Hallelujah.
Number one.
Oh,
watch out. You're not getting no blood clot going like this.
Disruption sound pop out some sound while I kill them. Hallelujah.
Everybody, run up and down. Hey.
Disruption sound kill some.
My father bigger than your blood clot, mama.
Yeah. Hold on there. Church, you gone pussy. You're going in coffin next.
Hey, is that Studio One Delroy Wilson?
Yeah, man, no, you need me right. Oh, you mean?
Who are you? Listen to that song, your combo.
Yeah, and we know.
When the Waggy team?
You know.
Waggy team? International sound?
Oh, we can so.
Boy, you want to take people to church and dance all?
Take me way, man.
That dirty bumbo on disruption. Listen. My guiding star, that's what you are. Sing your song, Mr. Negro, Syphilis. Wallad. And you're always near, you're never far. This is a combo, listen. You played your plate when I was down. Your sound is always around. Now can we
wait for Delroy Wilson?
You know that we love you. We love you. Now how can we live when we love you so?
You see that sound, yo?
You should know.
You see that sound, yo?
While he may not be a movie star.
Call of Duty. Disruption window around the one hand in a ear. Alright. Put them down. You gotta look over this too, you know. King Waggy T window around the one hand in a ear. So that's making Disruption 3. Waggy T. Few. Alright.
3, and him still stay a blood clot too. You stuck on 2, boy. Hold on, people. Listen to me. Shh. Calm. Him alright, man. Him dead. Look on the picture up on the wall, yeah, so. Right? The pussy come from blood clot. Where you say? Patrick, you win? Look on the picture, yeah, so. Him come here to the earlier, and I talk to Sharon, and I tell Sharon, please take this down, please take this down. Sharon never take it down. Play my song.
Yeah, man, I'm going to say it, man.
Custom,
Disruption sound of kill Waggy T in the land. Patrick Ewing, dead like that. Disruption, murder time. Yeah. Woo, 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 woo.
Watch the forward here. Watch the forward here. Watch it.
There's a picture.
Bomber clock.
Hanging on the wall.
Bomber clock.
Patrick Ewing, all cries out the end. That you were gone, disruption got to be there.
Kill it sound. Bomber clot wrong with you. Bomber clot wrong with you, boy. Eh?
Pussy. You know say, your blood clot song them call my name more than my dubs them do. Oh fuck you play a song and it call my name more than bomber clot yourself, pussy. You know no bomber clot song. You know no bomber clot song. That man tell you. That my blood clot tell you. That my blood clot tell you. You ready? Yeah.
Love and hate can never be friends. Oh no.
You're not no blood clot song.
Oh no. Here Waggy comes with enough dark plates and no 45s. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow him all the days of his life.
What on there?
Can be no one, no wish to be with no evil man. Here comes the day you'll be with by Waggy, yeah.
Call of Duty. Disruption, take the one in the ear. Fast and quick, disruption. All right, put them down. King Waggy T, take the one in the ear. 4, 2.
Here I go on, people. I respect them, big respect to Uno. You understand? I always say, big up Waggy T too. Them do them work. You understand? But me as a young son at 23-year-old, Disruption is 23-year-old. You understand? Waggy T a 45, right? I mean a little son, but me not afraid for blood clot beat up big son toy.
I fear not son.
I have no fear. Disruption is here.
Never fear, son. Never.
Disruption no fear, your son. No, we no fear. Disruption won't kill your son, cause we don't.
No fear on a bomber clock, man. If you take some pussy clock kick on hard. Batty boy. Yo, Wallace.
Yeah. All right. Let me play my bomber clad song right now. We see what I go on in the dance.
Hold on. Yeah. Waggy T one more time.
Big up Crocodile, me, you say Crocodile sick. This is Dennis Brown singing Crocodile song.
Look at tune in, Waggy T time. Yeah. Tune in, Waggy T time. Yeah. Tune in.
You see what I want?
Tea time.
And D Brown I sing Crocodile song.
Look at. So many things up and the sound, trying to test Waggy. So many things and the sound, wanting to test Waggy.
See what I want.
Call of Duty. Disruption, take the one there. One hand in the ear. Let me look. Let me see what I go on. All right. Now look over this. King Waggy T, take the one there. So that makes it 5, 2.
So how much we go? 11.
5 is gone. They only got to win 6. Pay attention. This could be the final one.
Yo. Listen. Waggy T. Big up Waggy T's sound. Because all of we respect Waggy T himself. But not Patrick Ewing. Not Patrick Ewing at all.
Yeah. Disruption sound. DJ Brizzy. Danger Marcus. Amstar. Mr. So. Ernie Smith. DJ Brizzy forward. And a killing scene. Every sound boy come fi crush it. Every man come with him queen. But when it start to get serious and the last one left to lose, when him try to run with the bongo, Danger Marcus, so don't move. Well, it must be a dopey or a sound.
Blood clot wrong that boy there.
Bossy, we're not chat. Duppy no over fright.
All right, dancers. Hold this road, boy. Easy, my youth. Ready. Rasta vibration, see me. Oh, Waggy T.
Disruption.
Waggy T. Oh.
Take this and fall under your woman body, boy.
Evacuate the premises, sound boy, yeah. Evacuate the premises, sound boy.
Call of Duty, me no box down boy, me no top down boy, me shoot it. We are lucky now. All who saw disruption, take that one. One hand in the air. All who say Waggy T, take that one. One hand in the air. Okay. So that makes it 6 disruption. 2. Hold on now, man. You just well want to come give. Go for me coffin can't come. Where you take this thing up? Go on there, sir. Nobody not there for care about my coffin. City. Lift up that sitting here. Take you out there, sir. Yeah. Yeah. Turn around, let the people them see. Yes. Me don't know, you know. So here we go on. Call of Duty 2023 War. Who knows if you get that casket here? Who forgot that casket here? Hold on there. Oh no, sir, Patrick, you will not Waggy T. All right. Hold on there, let me check it out. I'm going to say one, say a prayer quick and fast. Say a thing.
Oh God, man. Jesus, help this man. Make him survive in our next clash coming up. But you're dead, brother. You got hell.
Here we go on. Big up Waggy T movement for participate. Big up Patrick Ewan for participate. You know, so we love the clash and somebody have to go in the casket. So I just say go Patrick. But me respect the I come say I think to your fans. I mean, yeah, I want to listen to him. Yeah. Tonight I don't feel one in a night maybe. Talk to your people them.
I just want to say thank you for everybody for forwarding Sound Clash, keeping Sound Clash alive because, yeah, Anton, we never have to do this, but we love it so much so we did it. And like I said, whether we lose or draw, Sound Clash wins, and that's good for me, you understand? So, disruption, big up yourself here. Good work, good work.
Yeah, here we go on. I don't know what happened to Waggy T, but instead now one I don't know if I stunt dummy or a look-alike or a family. But you need to come at the people and hear your voice.
Let me tell you something. If the people them hear my voice from earlier, them sound are dead from a long time, alright? Believe me, bro. But big and serious, wanna do nothing. And wanna keep the Sound Clash culture alive. And congratulations, Sid.
Alright, here we go on now, people. On behalf of City Heat and I Justice the President, we present this trophy to Call of Duty Champions 2023. Quest, Danger Marcus. Receive your trophy. Yeah. South Florida, give it up for them. Mighty Disruption, give it up for them. All right. Yeah, man. Look out for Jamaica 1 versus City Heat. Right here. Here we go. Patrick Ewan. You only can borrow the coffin for one night. You hear me, Sam? I need back the coffin, you know. All right. Here we go on. Disruption gonna play a little celebration round, and then Darrow Take 9 gonna take it away. Disruption.
So what's with the first copy Junior dance Cyber Shell? Hey Brooklyn, hey Resourceman, hey London 10 of the world, featuring Disruption. This is yours, Freddie McGregor. Telling you like it is, yeah.
Big up the whole Disruption team.
Yeah.
Big up my light up and big up yourself in you.
Disruption a big bad sound.
Glamour Fire. Prodigy move. Big up yourself, big up yourself.
I know Disruption not kill.
Put in one of hard work. We have a couple sleepless nights.
Shut sound a win.
City Heat movement, big up on yourself. The last year I know, we come all the way from Atlanta. I tell you, we didn't even sleep all day because we practice for this. We put shoulder to the wheel for this. You understand? When it come to war, if you not practice and put things together, it not gonna work as how you want it to work. So big up to every sound man within you. Every sound man within you. Somebody, hey, come and like say me a dream right now. Because when we come to Florida, 1995, just so you know, Waggy T lock the place. And for a selector like we, kill Waggy T is like a fucking dream, dog.
We're killing the sound.
It's like a dream, dog.
Disruption sound. Throw them down.
Hey, Waggy T!
Now sound boy is true. Disruption will murder you, you little sound boy.
And we say, yeah. Silas, I got no.
You better treat us right. We'll kill your sound tonight, you little sound boy.
Good sport, my brother, good sport. Just so you know, Chinsu, Junior Chin, Dapper, you understand, Amster, you understand, Ian Lynx, Jugs Lad, AJ. All I will do it, youth. We did that. We did this shit, dog. You understand? Jonah Chin. Say last year I got no youth. Feel good.
Say machine. So lock it up now.
City Links.
Whoa.
My brother. Wally. Wally.
Alright. Oh yeah. Lock it up, some boy, lock it up, some boy, lock it up.
Pick up my cousin Links in the building.
Some boy, turn up.
Long time we are play sound.
Disruption, take me lock it up.
Ian Frost.
And this
you are the boss, you know, youth. Anything you say goes.
Because disruption now.
You set it for enough, youth. Jano, pick up Ian Frost.
Like shit.
Rhythm 4 sound.
It's like spy.
The last year I got no.
Plan them just to jump and reject.
The gate is now open.
All music is their choice. Lock it up, some boy, lock it up, some boy, lock it up now. Turn it up, some boy, turn it up, some boy, turn it up now. If you some boy, beg you turn it up. Got disruption, take you lock it down.
Mighty disruption, murder. Alright now, murder, we have a this little tin pan sound bout to the mighty disruption sound.
Selassie, I got no.
Come to kill every sound. Sound boy, you did. Right now we are murder you. Mighty disruption done kill you.
One like kickboxer, pick up yourself, you know.
Sound, and we're gonna throw you down. We come to bury you tonight. We come to kill you, sound boy. We are the champion sound. We gonna throw you down.
Disruption of the champion sound. Chinsu, Danger Marcus, Prezi, and Quez. Hear the one, yeah. Disruption sound. You're number one. Disruption sound. Sound boy, you're joking. Your amplifier smoking. We're gonna dust a little sound tonight.
Just you know, star, yo, quest a whole heap of song no play now, last song no play, dog.
My God. Sing.
This is Mikey.
Whole heap of song no play now.
Cross you.
Big up Cliff Restaurant.
Miami's fine with sunshine most of the time.
Justice for President. City Eat.
Disruption sound is lazy.
Big up my life, Scarface. Big up in a yo.
Palm tree.
We did this shit.
Runs slow, but don't you know? I will making our way back.
That's me and you under the blood clot building. You see them youth,
That's
yeah?
the big bad sound.
You see them youth, yeah? That's me, you see
Now
them youth, yeah?
Kill any sound. LA was fine.
I think I'll drift.
New York.
Next week, right, yes, sir.
And no more.
I think I'll drift, right, yes, sir.
It's sound boy, I am myself.
Hey, Taz. Hey, are you responsible for me in a youth? People they don't know that. A long time in a youth.
Cause no one heard you at all. Not even your dad.
Hold on, Taz. Then suppose we did go far rock away upon them right now, eh? You know I go far rock away upon them. Alright, let me go far rock away upon them. Where the youth where they control far rock away name? Where name?
I'm ready for army, time me just done cut for me. Man like Amster, Man like Earling.
Now what a new Farrakhan movement.
Man like King.
That's your Bumba Clan member. You member.
And the sing. I man say, big gun me carry. Disrespect. Me Kwame. Man like Amsterdam. Man like Earling. Man like Dogs Lord. Man like Jinsu. Man like Scarface. And a man called the sing. I man say, big gun me carry.
You want your cartel? Which cartel? Me loaded, you know. All right, hold on. The man say, "Want your cartel?" Yo, you know, say I mess up one moment, little while big life. You know, so we did that about little Farrakhan reunion. I mess it up. I know nothing still. I know nothing still. Then so they want a cartel. All right, hold on. Hold on. You're the cartel. You're the cartel. Hold on. You're the cartel. Hold on. Where the cartel them there? Where the cartel them there? Did I play this one? Did I play that one? Yeah? Bumbo clot. Wait the youth. So we cartel them. Yeah. Then the right of blood clot. Yeah, so. I'm play that one. Yeah. I'm play that one. Yeah. See what go on. Play that one and see what happens.
Left my place, draw me out like you think me a night place. Them ends with a shilling like Christ days. Quest, give my own page. Mighty disruption, can't hear me. While I'm all training. Make them go off and pop, cause when it start, we nah go no way. No boy can run me from my yard. We nah go no way. Rise up my DJ Quest. I hear some say them a 7-star and 10-star. I guess it's for the Salvation Army. See me as you up to the time, you know it's our DJ Quest. Kick down bumbo while I walk on them like carpet. See me as you up to the time, go me tell some pro say this now, man. We don't care where you're bad from, or the ends where you trod from. Gunshot make you fall like the bridge over London. When he kick you like Van Damme, you want this score me, and me book you over Boston. It's a bust like gas pan, bullet with gun.
I hate that, you know.
Woo!
I will pray for you, no matter what you go through. May God keep on blessing you.
Loss of confusion. The simplest thing makes a man wanna draw for his gun. But I hope you live to tell your story. Without guts there is no glory. Once you live and once you die. Oh, what you gonna do when your time comes? You gonna stand up or you gonna run? Ain't nothing to waste. You just got to do it. But before you do the crime, I would suggest you think about the time. Life move forward and it cannot rewind. Woo!
But I will pray for you, no matter what you go through. May God keep on blessing you. But I will pray for you, no matter what you go through. May God keep on guiding you.
Heal the king. Love, no? Honors. Respect. Oh, Jah, to whom vengeance belongs. Oh, Jah, for you I sing this song. Let the earth rejoice, multitudes be glad. Clouds and darkness surround him. Righteousness and justice is the foundations of his throne. A fire goes before him and burn all his enemies. Oh, Jah, to whom vengeance belongs. Oh, Jah, for you I sing this song. Oh, Jah, to whom vengeance belongs. Oh, Jah, for you I sing this song. His lightning lights the world. The earth sees and trembles. Mountain men like
Reggae Queen.
I wanna know
Marcia Griffiths.
what's going on.
Justice.
I really wanna know.
Great. The leaders of the world are racing for supremacy, not thinking about love or solidarity. You see, war and violence, they are preaching daily, trying to change the world to fit their philosophy. Sister Master Griffiths, tell him.
It's just evil and greed.
You see.
Oh, my people, can't you see that you don't know the hour?
They know not the hour.
That you don't know the time.
They know not the time.
They're still fighting for power.
But I still don't know the hour or the time.
Bet you don't know the hour.
They know not the hour.
Bet you don't know the time.
They know not the time.
They're still fighting for power.
But I still don't know the hour or the time. Ain't nothing great, nothing about their head of state. No love, all they show is hate, pure hate. Underestimating the Almighty. Warn them, sister, warn